Start streaming. In a world where one man and another man venture the blocky world of Minecraft. You're not on yet. He's all alone, except for Geshi.
It's two men, but just one.
It's two men, but one of them is late.
Very, very late. Oh, damn it! Hold on. I gotta position my TV so I can see the screen. Hold on.
Okie dokie. Hey, Cool Kid Park, you are first. You are first. Welcome to the stream. We're about to start the party. Should I put some music on? Or should I? Yeah, I should put some music on. Why not? Let's put some music.
Are you musicking it up?
Yeah, just a little bit of music in the background. No copyright music, please. But last time it was on a playlist, and one song after the other, and then it started deviating to actual music that I shouldn't be playing, and I got copyrights. Like, don't!
No!
Alright, let's see. Best of 1 hour music, copyright, no copyright sounds. Alright, so this is like 1 hour of... There we go. Let me just put the volume a little bit more. It's so hard finding the right... Crazy Blade, welcome to the stream!
Mr. Blade of Craziness.
We're about to start the adventure. Are you online yet? He's still not online. He still hasn't spawned.
I'm at the realm screen.
I will use it for pictures and maybe... that was me. Cool. Maybe there's a time-lapse mod. I recommend maybe using this one. Very light. Oh yeah, sent me a picture. We'll check it later. Because we were experimenting with the shaders mod. It's so good, man. It makes...
I saw that.
The lighting's so good. You look down, you see your own shadow when you're walking around.
Oh,
it's
man.
so good. We're experimenting. I mean, it does a number. Could you make it night, please? Sure. Time set. Usually I get the request the other way around. Oh, man. Boom, it is night.
I'm online.
You're online.
Ew.
I don't.
I'm streaming.
Are you streaming?
What up?
Sub to TRU, please. Is there a way to join the realm
Minecraft
or donating or wait? Well, I mean, unfortunately, at the moment, I am not accepting any submissions for
the vloggy stream.
For the realms because I'm very limited on space. Maybe one day, but at the moment, yeah, at the moment it's just people that are on the list. People that are on the list.
You gotta get past the bounce.
Gotta be on the list. You gotta be on the list. Oh, it started raining. I didn't do that, but I think it's a happy coincidence because Geshi's walking around with his shader mod and he's taking some pictures. I hope it's not affecting his frame rate. But it's so much fun, that shaders mod. Anyway, it's so good. I forgot to take pictures. I forgot to take pictures in the rain. I don't think it will make puddles. Okay, he's installed another mod, I think. Because very light.
Here we go.
All right, so you're in your house, like in your world, basically, or kingdom.
Oh wait, no, I'm not. I'm in the middle of nowhere. I need help.
Oh,
Remember?
that's right.
I'm in that random town I stopped at.
That is correct. You're right. All right, hold on. Stay safe. I'm gonna come get you. Hold on. No.
Well, it's taking forever to connect now. Oh, failed to connect the server. Time out. Let me try that again.
I'm coming get
There we
you.
go.
I'm coming
Hey. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, I already got the. No, I don't want your stupid emeralds.
Alright, I'm coming. Ah, yeah, we left you at the village last time. Last time on VloggyBuddy's adventure with TRU. He abandoned him.
On VloggyCraft.
I'm gonna teleport you home. I'm just running to your house. That's what I'm doing. That's why I'm taking a while. I'm just going to your house, so bringing you here, basically. Oh, there's an XP orb here. Someone was on the bridge. Alright, I'm coming. I'm coming. It's so cool now that I can actually take my horse to your island now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you didn't have to go all the way to Trulandia. You could have just gone into my shack or something.
No, Oh, come on. Saranya, hello. I'm not so
Actually,
sure.
I still need to transfer all my items from my shack to Trulandia. I need a bed over there. You know, I still haven't made a bed over there of all the days I've been like.
All right, time to teleport through. TP.
I am ready.
TP through nightfall to VloggyBuddy.
To hell.
Look at me. Look at me first.
Da-da-da. Hey! Ow! Why do you have some mutant upside down horse? Why is this
baby.
Why is he upside down?
Oh, you like my horse?
I don't think you're supposed to ride horses like that. Oh boy.
Because of no pants thing. It's a no pants thing, really.
Hey
Bill, welcome to the stream, Bill. Oh no, what did you do, Vloggy?
What? Let's see. What was I last doing here? Oh, I was trying to.
Hey, Emily, welcome. How are you, Emily?
Oh man, building a Trulandia is just terrible. Hey, Vloggy, you should build a little house in my kingdom here. So it'll be like your summer home.
I think I will. Well, I mean, there's a lot of space, much better than No Pantalones Island.
Yeah.
Actually, there's a little shack here. Is this yours? What is this?
Where?
Over here. Right. A wooden shack.
Wooden shack?
Let me just jump.
I don't know where. I don't know where it is.
Want me to teleport you real quick? There's like a teleport.
Yeah.
There's like a shack just right. Look, over here. Look, is this yours?
What the hell? No, I didn't make this.
You see. Is that a gravity horse? Well, the thing is this, Saranya. You know, you can ride horses in Minecraft, but there's this little. No, it's not it's an Easter egg. It's not a glitch. I was gonna say a glitch, but it's not a glitch. It's an Easter egg. But if you rename your horse Dinnerbone, it just goes upside down. It's just for fun, really.
Dinnerbone?
Yeah, if you name your horse Dinnerbone, he goes upside down. That's why. So yeah, let me just. He's called Dinnerbone because he's called Dinnerbone. If you name any mob, Dinnerbone, it goes upside down. Whether it's a chicken, a zombie, a creeper, a wolf, whatever.
That's weird.
I'm disgusting.
Is that intentional?
Yes, of course it's intentional. Yes, that's why. Look at my horse. My horse is amazing.
This is amazing.
Man. I'm just gonna let the horse walk, stretch its legs a little bit. Vloggy, whatever it is you're riding, it looks like it spawned from hell. Yeah.
Oh.
But no, it's spider horse.
Does whatever a spider horse.
I love my spider horse. Anyway, so what were we doing? I'm just gonna hang around here a little bit with Mr. TRU. He's building something here. Look at this.
Me?
He's building something. What is this?
Oh, I was gonna build like my little manor there, but oh my gosh, I need so much stuff.
I like what you're doing with the place, actually. I like what you're doing. It's starting to look really nice. I like
coming along.
I like that. I should take a couple of pictures using the shaders mod as well.
Oh yeah.
Of this place. Yeah.
Some more bloods, diamonds. There we go.
Now, once you're done, I want to show you. Do you have your horse with you? You don't have a horse, do you?
I don't have a horse. I need a horse.
Man, it's gonna take. Yeah. It's gonna be a bit of a pain to cross the bridge without the horse. That's the thing. Yeah, I mean, you can cross the bridge, but it's a long bridge. You know, with the horse.
Well, I'll boat back. That's a little faster than running.
I think so. Hey, come on, zombie.
I have zombies on my island.
Of course, there's zombies on your island. Your island is Zombie Island.
Zombie Island, that's what I was going for. Don't need that. So, what are we gonna do tonight?
First of all, I want to show you off the bridge. Show you off the bridge. I want to show you the bridge, not show you off the bridge.
You're gonna show me right off the bridge, huh? I see how it is.
I think I did that to someone. Somebody was observing the bridge, like on the edge of the bridge, and I just punched somebody and they just fell off. I think I did that to Nikki. Yes, to Nikki.
That sounds like something you would do.
It's fun. So yeah, now our islands are connected by
nice.
Bridge. Jackhammer, welcome. The my normal activity continues. My normal. I like that. Yeah. My normal.
On VloggyCraft.
The server. The bridge is taking such a long time to build. It's such a pain.
Wait, it's done or what? I thought you said it was done.
It's done from the other side. Now I need to construct. The thing is, it's two. I was gonna do one tower on one side, cloggy. I think he means vloggy, but why call me cloggy? I know clog toilet.
Cloggy the toilet. Oh, you know what's annoying? These little like, you see this little fence here you can build?
Yeah.
Like you can't jump over it.
Of course, that's the point. That's the point of the fence, so you don't jump over. Yeah, that is the point.
Well, I want to jump over to like avoid mobs that are chasing me.
If you jump over, then the mobs will be able to jump over. Get it?
Oh, I guess.
You know how you can set up local? I'm not sure. Not sure, bud. So, are you done? Do you want to cross the bridge?
Yeah, let's go. Oh, well, yeah, I'll probably boat back because that'll take me forever. You horseback and I'll boat next to you.
As I was saying, I'm gonna give you a head start. As I was saying, the bridge. I was planning on doing the bridge with with 2 towers, one on your end and one on our end. But the thing is, it's such a long bridge. I'm gonna have to do 3 towers, one in the middle, one on our side, and one on your side. I only did one so far, the one you saw in the picture.
The towers.
The towers that hold. Yeah, they're only cosmetic. They're only cosmetic.
Oh,
yes.
I got you. Oh, well, is this your little island over here? I see.
What? What island?
I see like a little island off to the left here.
No, but I'm thinking of calling dibs on it.
There's a ton of torches on it. I don't know. Nobody's built anything though.
Yeah, I should plant my flag over there.
Yeah, there you go.
Hi, Undertale. Welcome to the stream.
That's Malta right there.
Stop mocking my country. It is small.
It's so small, but it's quality over quantity.
That's true. It's true. We have beaches everywhere because it's a small island.
Anywhere you look, it's a beautiful beach.
It's a small island. That's me.
Small island. Oh, there's like shade underneath the bridge.
Of course, yeah, of course. Shadow.
Wow.
Like real life.
Dang, how long did it take you to do this bridge here?
Oh my goodness. At least I got some help from Nikki. Nikki's help building it, and I got help as well with the resources as well, so I cannot just stay grounded. But yeah,
whoa, Nikki built like a 3rd story.
Yeah, and you see the tower of the tower. I plan on doing like 2 more of those.
Oh, that one off to the left. What is that?
Wait, no. I'm talking about the bridge.
This here. Oh,
tower.
That's cool.
Yeah, I need to make 3 of those.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do 3. What is this giant?
That's a very inefficient. That's a very inefficient mob spawner. I guess you built that one. Let me just get off my horse. Hold on. Get off my high horse.
Yeah, get off your high horse. Bragging. Let me make sure my stuff in my shack is still here.
Okay, I need to find the way to jump.
I'm gonna rename this to this will be the embassy, the Trulandia embassy.
But that was the No Pantalones. No, that was the Playboy Island.
This was Playboy Island. I guess. Well, yeah, I kind of destroyed it. It's not really Playboy Island anymore. This is
sorry, horse. Sorry. Don't get out. Don't get out, donkey. Don't you dare get out. And he got out. It's too small. It's too small for them. It's true. Okay. Get out. Get out. Okay, hold on.
That's what she said.
Shut up. Alright.
Alright, so.
Ooh, I got some saxophone right now.
Oh man, I bought myself a my streaming. I won't have to like angle my TV when I stream anymore. I'm gonna bump myself up to super PC Master Race 2 monitors here pretty soon.
So what was I saying? What was I gonna say? Oh, I was gonna say actually, I wasn't saying it yet. So guys, those who are in chat and don't know who TRU is, TRU, the TRU Nightfall. Let me just show you
the truest
name. TRU Nightfall. He's the truest of them all. And if you wanna see, if you wanna check out his point of view of the stream right now, yeah, you can go on his channel and check it out. Because he's like this, speedrunner of Code Veronica. Every game he speedruns it blindfold.
Yeah.
Come over here, TRU. I want to show you something in my house. I want to show you something real cool at my house.
Judo Shop only speedruns.
Judo Shop only speedruns. I want to show you something.
Oh, how'd you make this little
The vine.
Little snowflake flag thing.
Ah, we got that from, because you weren't there. We did
Cool.
that's a banner. You can actually craft it, but those ones we stole from the mansion, from the Woodlands mansion. Because we took over. We took over the Woodland mansion. Oh, that reminds me. I need to go back there and claim that house mine. I want to show you something real cool. Close the door. I want to show you something real cool.
What you got here? Oh, we got a doggy. Hey, doggy.
Yeah,
oh, Fufu.
Yeah, his name is Fufu. And look at this. Look at this.
What's going on?
Hey, guy.
Look at
What's up, little
that.
guy? You want some chicken?
What's going on? Who is this? Who is this? No.
It's just me.
Oh, blimey!
I just wanted to join you for a minute. Hello.
Want a cup of tea?
I would.
Whoa.
I would
What
love
is this? Why is this chest evil looking? Ender
Yeah,
chest.
that's a chest. Basically, it's like in the cloud. If you have two of those, all right, and I'm anywhere holding that chest, whatever I put in that chest goes into that chest automatically. It's like in the cloud.
Oh.
So yeah, it's called the Ender chest. Let me just clear the weather because I want to show you something cool. You see my parrot? I mean, my actual parrot, not my ding ding dong parrot. Let me show you something real quick. Let me just weather clear real quick because this is.
Oh, sorry, I hit a CD out of your player here. Let me.
Yeah, can I have it back, please? Because that's kind of.
Put it back. Oh, it's weight.
Check out the parrot.
Oh, it's a dancing parrot. Whoa, hey. Work it.
Now I'm dancing too.
Oh, yeah. I like my song better. I have Cat. It's pretty sweet. This is a good song.
Oh man. So how are you, Amy? Is she still here?
Amy?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Alright, let me just stop the rain and the thunder because it's really annoying right now. Hold on.
Yeah, I accidentally asked Vloggy to voice chat on our three-way chat. I didn't even realize it was. So
Yeah.
hey.
Like what? Voice?
We just missed Amy. That's all it was. We needed more Amy in our life.
We needed more Amy in our life.
Well, I'm
I'll
just
be getting Minecraft
I'm just
soon.
looking at all your cool stuff.
Yeah.
Well, you got all kinds of stuff that I don't know what it is.
It's a good thing I disarmed this chest actually.
Oh, was that it? Was that it?
It's a good thing I disarmed this chest because this one was a booby trap. You are nosy. You are nosy.
You got a cookie on the
wall. Oh, I had a bunch of those. I was giving them away, but now I don't. Hold on. Do I still have them? Nope. I died at one point and I lost them.
I've got a question.
Yeah?
Yes.
Is it possible to find those Resident Evil mansions that we've found on the internet? Like, can we visit them?
I don't know if you're talking about the Woodlands mansion, but a while ago, Nikki, and Cheer, we explored the Woodlands mansion. There was like a big mansion, and we went inside and we took over. We fought like these guys, and we got awarded the totem pole over here, which I put in a trophy over here. We were awarded this totem pole.
Well, if
it looks like a little
Minecraft,
naked
that's
man.
what I'll be doing is wanting to build a Resident Evil mansion.
You can build a Resident Evil.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure you can even, besides building it yourself, I'm sure people have done it before and also placed it online already, so you can actually download it probably already done.
Yeah. Make your own custom mansion.
Yeah, because you can download maps from the internet right away, really. But obviously,
that'd be sweet.
So
and the game comes preloaded with zombies, so you're already set there.
Yeah. Oh, Amy's in chat as well. Hello, Amy. Welcome to the stream.
Amy. Oh, hey, there's Cheer. What up, Cheer?
What up, Cheer? I was gonna say, I was gonna show you something else, and I forgot what it was. God dang it! I have my carpet. Look at my carpet. Did you see my creeper carpet? Where'd you go? Are you upstairs snooping around?
Carpet? I'm just snooping at everything. Oh, this is a creeper. Oh, it is a creeper. I see the face now.
Yep.
Oh, Vloggy. It's not symmetrical. My OCD is kicking in.
Actually, it is symmetrical. What are you talking about? It's perfect. It's centered. It's exactly centered.
The faces are facing different ways.
Yeah, the faces are patterns I cannot fix. Those are just random patterns.
Oh,
so,
you can't make a face.
So did you know that Amy's getting Minecraft as well, True?
Yeah! We're gonna corrupt everybody into our Minecraft world.
Come to the dark side.
About time. I've been playing this for like...
Well, on the computer, but it don't run properly.
Yeah, because people are like, oop, it has lame graphics, Minecraft for kids. You know, it takes a lot of power to run this game, actually. It takes a lot of power. Power.
Like power inside us, power in our hearts.
So I was thinking, Look at you going through my stuff. Don't you go through my stuff, or I will have Fufu attack you. I will have Fufu. I can actually have Fufu attack you.
I know. Fufu, have some cooked chicken.
Ooh, he loves you.
Fufu loves me. I give Fufu cooked chicken.
So what was I gonna say? Do you want to go on an adventure? Look for some danger?
Yeah, man, let's go on an adventure. Now, I got a couple hours here. We need to adventure it up.
We have two options. We have two options for adventure. We can either go like underground, digging, mining, resourcing and stuff. We can either do that, or we can go in the Nether. It's up to you.
I didn't hear you. You cut out.
Sorry, we can go in the Nether.
Oh, the Nether. Yeah, let's go in the Nether. I haven't done any Nether stuff.
Yeah, so we can go to the Nether.
Let me prepare. I better get rid of this iron.
Do you need to go back? Do you need to go back to your house?
No, I'm just gonna go to my shack. I'm good there.
All right, good. He's going to his shack.
He's
going to shack, baby. Yeah.
Yeah, Amy, you won't come to the shack with me, love.
Yeah, baby. All right, so let me just reorganize.
Who shot me? Oh, skeleton in golden pants.
Ah, my kind of skeleton.
He looks so funny in golden pants and only golden. Oh no, a creeper! No!
Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Go blow his shack. Go blow his shack. Go away.
I'm running away.
Go away.
How did all these mobs get here? I thought we were all lit up here at night.
It's probably not enough. You know, it's never enough.
What's up, Ginshi? Hey man, there might be a creeper following me. FYI, just.
Hey Vloggy, did you see the Minecraft demake?
I did. How cool was that? In fact, I liked it so much because I was at work. I liked it so much, especially the music, the 8-bit music of the 8-bit rendition of the music was so good. I actually looked up the music where he got it from, and I downloaded it because it's so good.
I love him, I do. He's got loads of the demake ones.
Yeah, I've been going. He did an RE7 recently as well. I've been going through his channel. I raided his videos. I binge watched his videos. Yeah.
So much effort put into him.
Yes,
and it looks so good on the Game Boy as well.
Yeah, those are not real games, by the way. They're just videos. You know, it's just not really real gameplay or anything like that. But it's interesting. Yeah, it is very, very fascinating, if I do say so myself.
Oh yeah, Vloggy. If we ever find a big boss or something, like something we know we're gonna get crazy with, let me know.
We are definitely gonna get crazy. Yes, we are definitely gonna get crazy with monsters.
Well, yeah, but we. Oh wait, what is this?
I'll give you a tutorial. I'll give you a tutorial.
I did see the dancing parrots too. That's hilarious. But I don't. But do we know for sure we're gonna find something, or are we just looking for something?
No. The thing is this. What we need from the Nether the most. I mean, you don't have a brewing stand, do you? You still don't make potions yet, do you?
No, I don't even know.
You don't make potions. So, you need to start making potions. To get potions, you need the ingredients from over there. That's how you get started. You need to make a brewing stand, and the brewing stand you require something from over there. So you need to kill a bunch of. They're called blaze. And these blaze monsters, they will set you on fire, basically. So get ready. Get ready to be attacked by fireballs.
Well, I mean, should I go like big? I have a whole enchanted diamond armor set. Should I like go?
Since it is your first time, I don't think you should come with your best equipment because you're gonna die. You're gonna leave it behind. You're gonna get frustrated. You know. So
that's what I was saying. I don't want to bring the best of the best.
Just bring some regular iron.
I'm bringing my iron that I've been wearing.
That's what I would do. That's what I would do if I were you.
I got some iron swords and some pickaxes.
That's what I'm doing right now. Setting up some armor. Yeah. And obviously I already have all this. I already have the ingredients and I'm already making potions and stuff. In fact, I'm gonna share one with you very soon. The thing is, for our next mission, we need to acquire. In the Nether, there's a special type of skeleton called the Wither skeleton. They're skeletons, but they're black and they hold a sword. Now, there is a 2.5% chance that they drop their heads when you kill them. 2.5% chance. It's quite it's quite difficult. And we need 3 of those. We need 3 of those. If we get 3 of those, we can summon a giant monster. Very powerful, very dangerous. And if we kill that monster that we summon, we get a reward. And we need that reward. So it's a whole thing. It's a whole thing. One thing leading to another, basically. One mission leading to another mission, and so on.
All right. Well, these sheep are out of control. What are we doing with all these sheep here? Like, what
I'm
purpose do they serve?
actually breeding those sheep because I'm using their wool to make the suspension cables for the bridge. So everything has a reason.
Wool.
Yeah, lots and lots.
Oh yeah. Oh wow, yeah. I used the wool. I don't see them anymore, but there were black sheep in there. I used them to make my banner. Can you put designs on your own the banners you make? Like I made a black banner, but it's just
yes,
black.
you can. But I think you do it at the point of crafting. So if you already, I think I'm not so sure. I need to look it up. I'm not so sure. I think you do it at the point of crafting, though.
I see. Okay, so I'm at the portal.
Hold on, give me a sec, cause I'm not done yet.
I'll just be here in our evil. Oh, what's in here? A snowball. Where did you guys get snow and snowball in hell?
And I created Sakura. Hello, welcome to the stream, Sakura. How are you?
Sakura.
I was doing something and I forgot what it was. Oh yeah, come to my. No, I wanted to share something with you. Come to my house real quick, cause I wanted to share something with you.
Oh, Amy's a little jealous. Come to my house.
Don't you?
Sit on my sofa. Have a wine cooler. Relax.
What do I get? Fire protection. I get fire protection 3. Fire protection 1. Nice. That's good. That's good enough for me.
Oh, you're
that is good enough for me.
Hey,
Cheer. Hello. Welcome, Cheer. Welcome.
Floating house. Cheer had a floating
I wanted to set up like a soundboard. I wanted to set up like a soundboard, like Pudge has. I wanted to do that, but I don't know. I already have Fuzzbot running. I think I already have too many things running now. I have fire aspect. I don't.
Oh, you're upstairs.
Yeah, I'm coming. I have my sword. I'm gonna keep that sword. Vloggy question: is it considered a cheat if you keep your inventory if you die? Well, you're supposed to lose. You are supposed to lose your inventory when you die, but whatever makes your experience enjoyable. I mean, it depends really. It depends. I mean, strictly speaking, is it cheating changing the night to day right away? Strictly speaking, you're supposed to go to bed, but it depends. It depends. I mean.
Just your twerk.
Personally, keeping your inventory when you die to me is cheating. Personally, but whatever suits everyone's fancy. What do I need to bring with me? Oh yeah, this is what I'm gonna bring. By the way, I made potions already. I have a bunch of potions. I want to show you something real quick.
I'm just dancing on your bed. What are you showing me?
Hey, don't dance on my bed.
I was jumping on it.
All right, so I'm gonna bring with me a strength potion. And a potion of. Don't tell me I finished them. I need to make more. I don't have fire resistance.
How does this work?
If you bear with me, I can make one real quick. If you're not in a hurry.
Hey, what is this? How does this work?
Oh, I'm gonna make a couple of bottles real quick, and I'm gonna make. Crap.
So if I put 2 iron swords here, this thing kind of fixes them.
Yeah. Actually, I think even if you put them in your own inventory, it will fix them. Can you check that for me if it's letting?
It says, let me see. It says enchantment cost. What does that mean? Like what it?
Yeah, because it costs enchantments to fix it.
Oh, well, what's an enchantment?
An enchantment?
What is an enchantment? Do I have to kill something for that? What does that mean?
Do you have an enchantment? Wait, you don't do enchantments yet on the table, on the enchantment table.
Oh right. Yeah, I've done enchantments.
Exactly. So you can actually keep the enchantments when you fix the items here. You get to keep the enchantments. What does it say?
Well, what does the cost mean? Like it says enchantment costs 4. Like what?
Enchantment cost.
What does that mean?
Hold on. Let me
what's
just.
it gonna cost me?
It costs you levels to fix, not enchantment. It costs you levels.
Oh well, it says enchantment cost, so it costs me my levels. I see.
It costs you your levels. Sorry about that. Yeah. Mix up. All right, so.
Yeah, I can't repair it in my.
Don't mind me, just playing RE0. Nobody's minding you, Jack. So don't worry.
Nobody cares about you, Jack. Whatever. Get out of here.
All right, so I was gonna do something real quick.
Hey, TRU lose it all. Hey, what, you think I'm gonna die, Sakura? What are you trying to say?
No, you are gonna die. No, I think you are gonna die. The thing is.
I'm level 28. I'm gonna be so mad about that.
Oh wow, you're level what?
28.
Alright, you better use your enchantments. Go upstairs and enchant your armor at least. So you don't lose everything. At least enchant your armor.
Oh, I already have like... Oh, do you have any blue diamonds on you? I don't have any on me.
Yeah, go get some. Go take some.
I can give you... I have stacks in my little shack. I can give you some.
Let me just real quick.
Where do you keep your blue diamonds?
Oh, upstairs, next to the enchantment. I keep everything.
Oh.
I keep everything next to each other.
Oh yeah. Whoops. Hey, where'd it go?
What else are you opening?
Oh, wait, why isn't this?
What are you doing?
Oh, I think I flipped your book around. You have like a picture of a book, and I accidentally hit it, and it started twirling around.
I got you. You're snooping around. You son of a biscuit. When you're done, I want to give you something. When you're done, I want to give you something.
Oh, I bet you do.
No. You mean the same way nobody cares about you?
Whoa!
Man.
Jack.
Shh. Don't be mean. Don't be mean.
That hurts.
So what do we do? What do we do here? Hold on. I think we need magma cream. I think.
Oh.
I'm not so
hey,
sure.
This is a respiration 1. Does that mean I can breathe underwater?
I'm not so sure what this gives us. Hold on. The magma cream.
Oh, whoops.
Oh, I ran out of blaze. I can hear you enchanting from down here. Alright, so. Peter Griffin. So there's a potion of fire resistance. Fantastic. Alright, so that's what I want to do. So if you see any magma cubes over there, like slimes, but they're made of magma, you would need to kill them. And now I'm going to put some 2 of these. I know the recipes by heart now. How nerdy am I? So this one gives us fire resistance. So if I give it a redstone, it makes the effect last longer.
Hey, what does the silk touch thing do again? I just
the silk touch. Basically, you know how when you mine, for example, the coal ore, you actually get the coal out of.
Yeah.
So basically, with that kind of pickaxe, you'll be able to mine the actual ore, not just the actual coal out of it. You know what I mean?
I
So
see.
it's useful, for example, when you're destroying glass, it doesn't actually break it. You actually get to. Careful if you're heading outside. I wanted to give you something. Come here.
Oh, was it nighttime? I thought it was just raining.
I don't know. Is it? I don't know.
I don't know.
Come over here.
Ah! Why am I... Oh, you can crawl up the vines to your house all secret-like. Ooh.
Come over here. Go play outside. I'm gonna give you these. I'm a good father. Go play outside.
What did you give me? Is this fireworks?
Yes.
Yeah! Oh, no!
What did you do?
Nothing. Don't look over here.
They're supposed to be fired outside. It's even more.
Yeah.
It's funner.
Well, I didn't.
And look up, obviously.
Hey, vloggy donkey bud. You wanna see some fireworks? Look at this. Whoa. Of course you like that.
Man. All right, so I finished stuff. I'm gonna give you some stuff. All right, we're gonna actually. I don't even need to give you any of these. I'll hold on to them.
You can fix them in the crafting table.
All right, let's go. We're done here. We are done. We are ready to go.
Hold on, I gotta go to the Trulandia embassy here.
Sorry, come off chat, but oh, it's okay. Amy, no worry, no worry. You can feel free to join at any point again if you want. So where are you?
You come and go as you please, Amy. I'm in Trulandia embassy office right now. 1 second.
By the way, did you like how Nikki fixed the place with the flowers, and she did the pots, and she set up a fountain here?
Oh yeah, I saw it. The place looks very. It's like we're living in a fancy hotel.
Let's go. Let's go say hello to. Let's go say hello to Geshi as well. We have someone else on the house. Let's go say hello to him.
Geshi.
I'm a modern woman. I'm a modern woman. I do true. What? She said.
She comes and goes as she pleases.
Oh, okay. Because she said I do true.
Hey, she does true. She does true and she comes whenever she pleases.
Let's go say hello to Geshi. Let's go dance. Look what he did. Look what he did. He did like a nice whole.
What do we got here?
It says Hosue of Geshi.
Hosu. Hosu.
Hosu.
Hosu.
Is he watching the stream? Are you watching the stream, Geshi? Are you watching the stream?
Are we bowing in honor?
Hosu.
Yes.
Geshi. Look what he did! Look what he got! Look what he got us!
What the hell are those? What are these monsters?
Come on!
Mocha.
Mocha.
These terrible. Oh, I'm sitting on one of them. What are these things? Oh my god.
You need a saddle.
I don't want one of these. These look like just horrible monster creatures.
They're llamas. They spit. You hear that? They go.
Yeah.
They spit.
If they're like camels, they definitely spit. Those little camels.
And he has set up a tree farm over here, and he set a cobblestone machine generator thingy. So if you want cobblestone, you can automatically get cobblestone from here.
Oh wow.
Yeah, let me show you. Come over here. Where are you?
Devil worshipping portal over here.
Yeah, he's got a portal. He set up a portal, but the thing is, every time we go through our portal, we end up outside here. So I told him, please switch it off.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me show you his cobblestone generator. So, do you have a pickaxe on you?
Yes.
So what you do is hit the cobblestones over here, the ones that are up over here. Let me just show you myself. Let me show you. This one. Hold on.
Oh, in the middle.
Or not.
Okay.
Okay, not or not. Wait, did I do a boo-boo? Did I break his machine?
Did you just break his cobblestone maker?
I'm sorry. Which one? Which one does it generate? Hold on.
I see one cobblestone in this whole thing.
Is it off?
Is it off? Because you just broke it.
Is your cobble machine working? Or did we break it?
Oh god.
The frogs. No, he's breaking them. Alright, it's not working. Wait. Maybe it's powered off.
Wait. What is this?
Let me check my machine. He builds machines. I mean, he's I think he's better than me when it comes to machines, huh? I mean, I like to. He's observing.
I was looking up on YouTube. I think I want to make one of those little chicken.
Seems stuck. Let me reset.
Makers.
He's resetting the machine.
Those little chicken makers are like a pain in the butt. So I haven't done that on True Landia yet, but eventually.
Oh, you should. If you want, I can even make you one if you want. It's up to you, really. I mean, it's part of the fun making it yourself, but I'll be more than happy.
I mean, I have the YouTube video. I know what I need. So.
Yeah.
But yeah, if it's broken, I'll call customer service. Vloggy.
I can send you a video how to make these easy farms. Can you hear me? I thought I went mute. I can send you a tutorial how to make these easy machines. They don't require. Oh, there you go. It's working now. So just go ahead and just go ahead and destroy these blocks. The ones. Look.
Okay.
Hold on, because I think it's still starting. Hold on, I think it's still working. Hold on. I hear the machines, but it's not working.
I hear horrible noises happening.
Let me just take him off a little bit. Rip.
Oh god.
How's it going with RE0 Jackhammer? Are you enjoying it? Is it your first time playing it? Is he still upstairs? Oh, it's still upstairs. Pour a 40 out of a... Hold on. We're worrying him. We're worrying him now.
We gotta pour some out for our homie. Oh.
Still nothing? Oh, it's working now. They're
now.
generating. Look, they're regenerating. Hold on. Let me try again. Can you break some blocks? Let's see. Let me try it myself. No, we make the noises, but it's not working. Nope.
Well, you have a very loud machine here, Geshi. It's,
whoops! Oh.
Super.
Oh, I think it's working now. That's weird. Oh man, he tried his best. He tried his best. Let me show you my machines. Let me actually show you machines that actually work. Come over here. Come over here. Let me show you machines that work. That actually work.
See these working machines.
I made a machine over here. I mean, you know the chicken machine and the cow machine, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Now I've created something even better. Let me show you real quick.
All right.
You see this contraption over here? I got only one. I got only one sugarcane in there. All right. Whenever it reaches a height of 3, it will automatically trigger the piston. It pushes it, so it cuts it, and it falls straight into the bucket over here. Check it. I got 53 in there.
What bucket? Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, I want to show you, but hold on. Do I have enough blocks to climb up? No, it's gonna be a nightmare. I don't have enough blocks. I would have showed you how it works, but you would need to wait for them to grow. You know, to Vloggy, check Discord. I will check, but not right now. Not right now, because.
Why do I have cobblestone? Yeah, we gotta go on an adventure, man.
We're gonna go adventure. Yeah, I just wanted to show you real quick. That's all. But he has a nice area, Geshi, over there. Yes.
Yeah.
He has a nice area. So, oh yeah. No, we're good. Let's go. Time to go. Time to go adventuring.
Time to go.
I'm not bringing my horse.
My horse is amazing.
My horse is amazing. Give it a lick. It just tastes like raisins. Let's go down. Let's go down. Now I want to show you the progress that we made in this tunnel over here. Hold on a sec. What is this? What the? Oh,
what is
it?
This?
Looks like.
What?
Kind of. Looks like. Hold on. All right, we're going. I'm coming. Looks like the wall is broken from the back. Alright, so basically this tunnel will take us straight. No, don't go on foot. It's gonna take you forever.
What? I thought there was only one cart.
Yeah, there's a cart, another cart in the box. So you place the cart, you get in the cart. Bye, have a great time. Needs to put water back.
There we go.
Oh, there was another cart here as well. No, it stopped me.
No, I'm gonna crash!
Hold on. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna get in this one. Bye, follow me, bye! Whee!
No, Vloggy, don't leave me!
Bye! Whee!
It's Mr. Vloggy's wild ride.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's a very long tunnel. There are not enough tracks that take us there, so we're gonna have to continue on foot, just like Outbreak.
Oh man, never worked out.
Yeah, I need to finish this. It's not even the tunnel is completely finished, but it's like 3/4 of the way or 80% of the way done.
But you guys already raided that place you found, right?
The mansion.
Yeah, you said you already got all the nether places.
No. But the thing is, what we need now is from mobs. Mobs will automatically regenerate, so we can just keep going back and forth, you know?
Ah.
So, before we start attacking, alright? Before we start attacking,
right.
Let's hold back a little bit. Yeah, see how long this tunnel is. See how long this tunnel is. I mean, it seems shorter because we were on a track, but still a long way to go, actually. But we saved some time. Do you have food on you?
I got a ton of food.
Good.
You need food?
No, I'm good. I just wanted to see if you have.
Yeah. No.
What's going on?
No, dear. I haven't got Outbreak working again. I'm gonna try it on my next, my next 5 days off.
He's gonna try it again when he gets the next PC.
Yeah.
Obviously, do not hit zombie pigmen, because if you hit them, they all hit back. You hit one, you get attacked by the other 50 as well. So.
Oh, fun. Okay.
Yeah. Now we're going up. We're going up. It's going up with the Mario.
Oh, with the Vloggy.
Woohoo! Mario #1. Now we go this way. You see, we're most of the way. We're safe now because of the tunnel. It could have been a nightmare to travel. All right, so we are in the fortress. Have you been in the fortress yet or not?
No, I've been
so
here.
Go step on. I don't know if you got the achievement for just stepping inside.
I did.
All right. So what we're gonna do
I'm
first?
gonna log out and log back in because my game is super choppy. I don't know why it's so choppy. I'll be right back.
Okay. PC Master Race. This message is brought to you by PC Master Race.
PC Master Race, the best at everything, never fails. Those pigmen are like the chickens in Legend of Zelda. Oh yeah, you get upset after a while.
Welcome back.
Hey.
I thought you abandoned me here. I was like, how am I gonna go home?
Oh,
Is it better now?
Choppy. Whatever.
Is this still choppy?
It's really choppy. Hold on, let me...
Are you running on full screen? I don't like running on full screen. I feel like when we run on full screen, it affects the I don't know. It feels like choppier when it runs on full screen. But that is just me. I like to run games in window mode. I don't know why. I've always been like that since Windows XP. I've been like that. So what we're gonna do is try not to get lost. I'm gonna hit you with a potion. This one gives us fire resistance. 1, 2. And I'm gonna hit us with potion of strength. Alright, now we're stronger and fire resistant. Let's keep going. What we need to do is we need to kill a bunch of blazes. Let me just find their nest. Do not destroy the spawner, obviously, okay? Do not destroy their spawner.
Destroy spawner check.
Shut up. Destroy spawner check. If you do that, we would run up here, up here. They're already spawning. Let's go. So if you kill them, they start dropping blaze rods. All right. So be on the other. Stay on the other side. Stay on the other. No, stay here. Like choose a side, something like that, because we'll be ready for them basically.
Come on out.
If anyone spawns out of on your side, hit it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna remove the torches. Maybe we'll increase the spawn rate. This is their spawner. They will. If we destroy that, we're done. We're out of. Oh, here we go. That one's yours. Do it. Did he drop a blaze rod? No. Did he? No.
I don't think so. No.
I didn't get one either. Oh, our strength is already running out. It was a very short potion of strength.
Oh man, I don't feel.
But our fire resistance. But our fire resistance should be fine.
Go to the gym.
I'm gonna remove these torches as well. Hold on. Oh, here we go. All yours. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Do it now! Do it now!
Do it now! Now!
Oh, you see? So now you got the...
Thing.
Yeah, with that you can create a brewing stand. You can create a brewing stand. I'm gonna remove this fire behind you because it's annoying me. Oh. So you can create a brewing stand now. You can start making potions. But you're gonna need more blaze rods because the blaze rod can be crafted into an ingredient as well. So, yeah,
really
yeah, that was a good idea actually, because the light I think gets in the way of their spawning. So,
if they are on fire, they'll be easy to see.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, 2 of them! Die, bad monster.
Die, you son of a biscuit! All right, did you get any? I think I got 2. Yeah, we'll share. We'll share. Here's yours.
I haven't even built an enchantment table.
I think water is getting inside the lava place. No! No! Oh, in front of you! In front of you!
Oh, hey! Back up, friend.
And it's a good thing we're running on fire resistance because that helps. I mean, otherwise we'd be on fire right now. We'd be on fire, baby! I'm also wearing fire protection, so I'm fire protection, fire resistance. I'm fireproof, baby! Okay, take one.
I got this guy over here.
I got one. Did you need help with the other one? Alright, you're good.
Got him. Like he's on fire.
Did you get another blaze rod? I got one so far.
I got a blaze rod. Good. Are there diamonds in the nether?
No diamonds in the nether. What's in the nether? And I think it's a useful resource is quartz block. It's like another. It's like this usual nether rack up here, like this one, but it has like patches of white in it. That is very valuable, in my opinion. Watch out!
Oh!
Oh, sorry, I hit you. I think.
Ow! Wow! Do you have
okay? I ripped it.
Or something?
What? Sorry? Did I hit you? Don't forget to eat. Eat.
Oh! Die, bad monster. Die.
Die! I'm at 2 now. I got 2. Yay! Oh, there's another 2. Careful. You're on fire though, huh? I mean, you're on fire as a metaphor. You got this.
Oh, that's why. Oh, man.
But I think it's because you got the potions as well. You're doing well.
I had my fist out.
I think they'd kick your ass if you weren't with your potion right now.
I was punching him with fist instead of my sword. I was like,
oh, watch out! More!
I told you, I'm judo chop only.
Judo chop only.
Oh, I'm hungry now. Oh, I'm hurt. Hurt real bad from punching. Oh crap, my sword's gonna break.
I messed up. Again, rip.
Well, again, I think you broke his cobblestone thing.
I think we get some serious XP from all this, huh? I think. I'm at level 14.
I mean, I was 18, I'm 19 already.
Nice.
I'm almost 20.
You know what would be fun to do now? See if how well we do once the potions run out. Oh, they're running out. No, I finished. My potion ran out now.
Oh, mine's still...
If you check...
How do I know?
Check the inventory status, and it should say. It gives you like a timer.
Where?
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh, 3 of them!
Oh boy, oh boy.
Oh, I'm on fire, baby!
Taste my fire! Oh, this guy's floating.
Wow, you killed 2 of them? Wow, you killed 2.
Backup sword, backup sword.
No, you only killed 1. I'm on fire, baby!
Oh, the thing's on fire.
You're still on the potion? How is it possible?
Yeah.
Did you hit level 20 or something? I sounded a bling bling.
I did.
Hey, Falton and my daughter. Hello, your daughter. Welcome to the stream, your daughter.
Your daughter's watching?
My daughter is watching. Welcome to the stream.
Yeah. I still don't see where you see how long a potion lasts.
You go onto your crafting menu, like.
Yeah.
Now make sure that your instruction guide is closed. All right, so you just close that one, and you should have like a little timer on the side. Do you have a timer that says fire resistance? Whoa! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Ah! Oh!
I got one. Need help?
Taste of my pain. Oh, I got one.
All right. Actually, if you go on the top right-hand side of the screen, you should have like a little icon. Do you have an icon that shows you a flame?
I see the icon.
Yeah, that means you're still on the potion then. That's weird. Yeah. And I'm not. Not fair.
I'm about to.
It should say when it's about to expire if you go on the menu though. If you go on the menu. Whoa, watch out.
Yeah, but I can't go. Ow.
You got this?
Ow,
no, you don't.
You keep hitting me. That's why I keep flying away.
Oh, did I hit you? Sorry, because my sword has a big swipe. Sorry, so when I hit, you get close by. Sorry, I'm only here to help. Yeah, how many did you get, Blaze Rods? How many Blaze Rods did you get?
I have 6.
Oh, good. I'm on 7. Nice.
And my sword's about to break though, so I'm about to be useless here. I didn't prepare enough swords for this adventure.
Well, we can go back if you want, if you're done here. You already got enough to work with.
Yeah.
What? Oh, watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Eat flame!
All right, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
All right.
We need to find a way out, though, huh? Was it this way? I think it's this way.
Yeah, mushroom land there. What's that horrible noise?
You never saw a ghast in the game? You've never experienced a ghast?
Is that the giant?
Yeah, like, it's the floating balloon.
Yeah, it looks like one of those. It looks like a Mario enemy, like the floating cloud.
Oh yeah, the boo or whatever they're called. The boo.
Yeah.
The peekaboo.
The Naboo.
Have you been playing Pokemon, by the way?
I haven't. I played like the first 5 minutes to get like my character set up, but
gasp!
Man, I just work. And now I'm kind of torn because I really want my Articuno. So I kind of want to play Pokemon Yellow, but I'm at the beginning of that one too. It's gonna take me forever to get Articuno.
Anyway, my good boy here is his name is TRU Nightfall. I'm just gonna show you his username on screen. There you go, TRU Nightfall. You see that? So if you look him up, he's actually streaming it as well. He has a YouTube channel, and if you go to his channel, you get to see his point of view, his perspective. You get to see me. Yeah, you get to see me. If you want to see me, go to his channel. If you want to see him, go to my channel. That's how it is. That's how it is. It is what it is.
That works.
Last one home is a Teletubby.
No!
Bye, have a great time!
No!
Bye!
No, you
get him, pigs, get him!
What if I attack Pigman while I'm driving?
Yeah, you should try that. Try it.
I missed those guys. Is there anybody up here?
I don't know. Maybe.
Whee! Oh, I'm getting sick. Getting sick.
Oh, there's a pig here. There's a pig over here. Do it, 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 do it.
Hey, Mr. Pigman. How about a little drive-by? Oh.
You suck! You suck!
Damn it.
I saw you trying and failing. Oh man. Alright, we're back. What you should do is grab the minecart and put it in the chest so we don't lose them.
Okay.
Put into the chest. There was an extra sword here. Wah, wah. I'm gonna put the minecarts over here. They cost a lot of iron to make these, huh? I mean, a lot. Well,
the carts?
yeah. So now what you can do is you can actually start crafting recipe. What are they called? You can start making potions now.
Oh.
One of the rarest ingredients you can get from the Nether is the magma cubes, magma cubes, and the gas
Magma.
times that 0, and the gas tiers as well. Those are really hard to obtain.
Whoa, minecart with TNT. That sounds pretty dangerous. Why is that a thing?
Ah, yes.
Minecart with chests? All these weird things pop up now. Minecart with furnace?
Yeah, because you got hold of a minecart, so now you unlocked some recipes. Yeah.
Blaze powder.
Yeah, you can with. Make sure you don't convert all of it. Make sure you don't convert all of it into blaze powder because you need 1 rod just to make the brewing stand.
Okay, where is the brewing stand on here?
I think if you go on, let's see.
Enchantment table.
Where is it?
Oh, brewing
yeah.
stand, I see it.
Yeah, it looks funny in the picture. It doesn't look anything like the...
Yeah, what is that?
I like to make 2 brewing stands because I like to have, 2 cooking whilst, but it's a personal preference.
On me. I'll build some over in Trulandia. I'll put this in the Trulandia embassy for now.
Trulandia embassy. All right, you want to regroup and we go back?
Yeah, let me build some swords here.
Watch out, we got a creeper in the house.
That was embarrassing. Where?
Creeper! You suck. There we go. So let me just reorganize myself again so that we can go.
Hello guys, I mean folks. Hello the gamer long name person.
I'm gonna make myself another sword now because
someone's gonna die here.
1, 2.
Oh, furnace now. Crafting table. Alright, sword, get a couple iron swords here, because I'm doing a lot of killing.
I wish I could get the the looting sword. Ah, I had a looting sword and I died. I'm so stupid.
Whoa, what is it?
The looting sword increases the odds of them dropping stuff, and we need to kill those black skeletons. They don't spawn very often, and when they do, they have a 2.5% chance of dropping their heads, and we need 3 of those. Ah, well, what can you do? You know what we're gonna do, actually? I don't know if
what are we gonna do?
If you can help me with something, perhaps we can. Yeah, why not? I want to show you a machine that I made.
Alright.
I want to show you a machine that I made. Get yourself ready, and we're going. I mean, I'll come to your house actually, because.
Oh, I'm already on my way back to you.
Yeah, no, we have to go your way actually, towards your embassy.
Okay.
So I'm coming over there now.
Oh, I have wheat. Get out of here. Wheat.
What level are you at right now?
20.
20. So I want to show you a machine that I made. I'm coming to your house. I'm coming over.
It's Slim. Oh, what up, Slim?
What up, Slim?
The real Slim Shady's in my chat.
The real Slim Shady. So what do you think of the bridge?
Oh, it's sweet.
It's still under construction, but it's gonna be epic. Our worlds are gonna be linked. Trulandia, no Pantalones Island. La Isla de no Pantalones is gonna be linked.
Two colossal countries united.
Yeah, And I can have my summer home over there. No, what's going on with what's going on with
Oh man,
obsidian?
Yes,
oh man, he missed the fail.
Oh man.
Alright, come this way.
I'm going over here.
This is an island on which I perform experiments. This is my experiment island.
Hop on my boat, yo.
Oh yeah, well it's not that far actually. I'm almost certain that I can beat you to the land anyway.
No!
I'm glad you like it, Freddy. I'm glad you like the thumbnail. So I made a machine over there that automatically grows watermelons over there.
Here?
And yes, and it harvests them automatically and puts them in the box automatically. And I'm like, why did the machine, why did it grow a melon but it didn't harvest it? What did I do wrong? And then I realized I didn't even put a piston on. I'm supposed to put a piston that pushes the melon into the box, basically. No, but it didn't start working because I didn't even put a piston.
Oh, I see.
But I can make you one of these. This is awesome. You automatically get melon in your chest automatically, you know? It's free food. So yeah, that works. It's just that I forgot to put a piston over there. Now, let me show you my ultimate creation. My ultimate bioweapon. Hold on, I'm trying to find this way. This way. It's my secret hidey hole over here.
Oh.
Yeah, this is very top secret. Not many people know about this, except everyone.
Everyone who watches this stream.
Actually, I made a similar one on Trulandia, but it's very far from your house. Don't worry. I made a similar. I don't decide where these things have to be. I'll explain. You know how I told you there are dungeons where there's zombie spawners and I tell you not to destroy them? Yeah. Basically what I do is I do a series of tunnels. The zombies fall into these tunnels. Then with water, they act as conveyor belts. So they push them around with the water. And they do, at the end, they fall along, drop the zombies, and they end up on the stand right here. All we need to do is just stand here for them to automatically come sit by my side over here. We wait here for a couple of minutes, alright, and they're gonna start dropping. Because they're generating the spawner right now. They're falling into the water, they're being carried by the water, and then they're gonna fall a long drop on this little stand here. So we wait here, we're gonna gather a bunch, then we kill them at the same time, and we get a bunch of XP.
Hey!
Yeah, so we're gonna wait a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna do a dance for you.
Make it rain chickens on this guy. Get
it!
Woo!
I earned it. Oh man. So let's just give it some time. Because zombies are starting to fall, as you can see.
Okay.
I'm just gonna stretch my back a little bit. Crack my back. Oh yeah. So you were saying about Pokemon, you still haven't started it. Boo, shame on you. You need to be ready by the weekend. We're gonna have Pokemon battles this weekend.
Oh Jesus.
Come on, man. I mean, I only beat like the first two Kahunas already.
The Kahunas?
They're called the Kahunas. I don't like anything about the gym leader system in this game. But other than that, it's fine. I'm more old school. I prefer the gym. You walk into the building, you challenge the gym leader.
So how do you... So there's no gym leaders anymore?
This is different. Have you watched the cartoons, the anime, the Pokemon Orange League?
Oh, not any of the new ones. I watched the old ones.
No, the old ones. Yeah, this is the old ones. Remember? After finishing...
yeah, the old ones.
He went to the Orange Islands. Ash went to the Orange...
Yeah.
And he challenged the leaders there. It wasn't really a gym battle. They were like challenges, basically. Remember?
Oh, I guess, huh?
Yeah, basically they give you a challenge. You have to do a task. And you complete the challenge, and then when you're done, yes, they will battle you eventually. So, I don't know, they tried to make something fresh and original, but I preferred the old-fashioned gym leader system, in my opinion. So, as you can see, zombies are gathering fast over there.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a ton of them. And all you're gonna do is just hit them with your sword. You have a sword, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna hit them with your sword, and you start just getting lots of XP. Now, granted, because you're level 20, XP starts going up slowly. You know, it starts going up fast the first like 10-15 levels, and then it starts slowing down. So be patient, obviously.
So they only start spawning when you're near. They don't just spawn continuously.
No, they spawn when you're in the chunk. They spawn when you're in the chunk, that's all. at one point there will be so many zombies that they start kind of suffocating and they will die straight away. So if we start seeing them dying, you can just go ahead and start killing them, because that's wasted XP basically. Why is it that your animation, the ground is always like do you see the particles on the ground?
Like, I mean the particles.
Look, when I run, oh, they're dying. I think. Are they dying? Hold on. When I run around, you see little particles. Okay, they're dying. Go kill them. Go kill them.
Dive.
Oh wow, there's an enchanted armor. One of them dropped an enchanted armor on the floor. Grab it, see what it is. What is it? It's chainmail.
Chainmail? What the hell?
What is it though?
Chain, chest plate, blast protection 2.
Wow, that's a good one. Is it worn out though?
It's
Is it destroyed?
It's really broken.
Yeah. Well, it's better than nothing. How many XP did you get? You are level 20, yes?
Oh yeah, I got 22. I'm almost 23.
Ooh, wow, that's fast. So again, and repeat basically. You just repeat. Now I'm gonna go next if you don't mind.
Go ahead.
Sometimes I sat here and I go up to level 30, but we have to be patient, you know. I mean, right now, right now we're kind of in the middle of an adventure, so we're not gonna do this for long. But I just showed you. Anytime the moment of truth is now. So yeah, if you want at any point you're by yourself on the server or whatever, you feel like getting some XP. This is how you do it if you're trying to enchant something.
Cool. Oh wait, I got 2 pieces of chain. I got a chain helmet that's kind of broken too. Do you want it? I have like...
I'm fully armored actually, except my pants. I put them on back.
No need for those.
Oh yeah.
How about a Minecraft stream, but it's actually Terraria? I don't know what Terraria is.
Terraria basically is like Minecraft, but side-scroller, 2D side-scroller basically.
Oh yeah. Oh, you know what? While you're here, I'm gonna go put these blaze rods away so I don't die and lose them.
Oh, okay, yeah, sure, yeah, pretty much. Yeah, I'm just keeping you here for nothing, actually.
Yeah. Oh, he got his cobblestone working again.
Then we'll go check it out.
Like 30 minutes later.
Too late, we lost interest now.
Yeah, we don't care about cobblestone anymore. Oh, gosh. Oh, damn it, it's like that. Get away from me. Oh, there's a Slenderman.
Slenderman. It's an Enderman.
Oh, an arrow.
Oh, once we get to the end is where the Endermen live. All right, we're gonna go to their realm, to where they live. Once we get there, I will do the same thing. You know what I just did with the zombies, this machine that generates XP. I'm gonna do the same thing with Endermen, and they give so much more XP than this. You know, so it's gonna be so much better. It's gonna be like, I think it had a short circuit with the ring.
Is that how Minecraft works?
Want me to make it rain again? So you test it. I can make it rain, baby.
Make it rain.
Haha, I'll cover it just in case. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna go up to level 20 and I'll come back.
Okay.
I'm at 18. I'm at 19.
I'll be in the house at the nether portal.
Try now. In a sec.
I'll take your word that it's working.
Are you gonna try it? Are you there?
Well, I guess I could. I am nearby.
Go try it.
Well,
Go.
watch me break it.
Go break it again.
I'm gonna break a piston or something on it. Where does he live?
It's like behind the castle. The little castle fort thingy.
Behind you?
What?
Oh, skeleton. Jerk. Oh yeah, I found him. There he is. Alright, Geshi. Better be some sweet gobble. I see he put a bunch of wood around here or something. So I just break these ones in the middle, that's it.
I think so. It should be. The machine should. Once you destroy them, they automatically regenerate again.
Okay.
Using a similar concept, once he made an automatic regenerated house, like the house, if it got blown by a creeper, it will automatically heal the house.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it works now. It immediately chomps another block down.
Yeah. With the same concept, once he did the whole house like that, that automatically regenerates. We used to destroy the house on purpose with TNT, and it automatically regenerates, which is cute and cool and stuff. Alright, I'm coming up, I'm coming back. I'm level 20 now.
I'm coming up.
So you better get this party started.
What's up with your wyvern, man? He's sad wyvern for so long.
Yeah, without... I need to fix that island. I need to give it some lighting. I need to finish the wings.
Yeah, that's what I'm referring to, the wingless.
Yeah, wingless. I mean, it kind of looks cool that way too. I mean, I don't know, but...
Looks like maybe that's like...
I want to tell myself that it looks kind of cool so I don't finish it.
Yeah, it looks great. Don't even worry about it.
You're just saying that. I'm assuming you took the boat, yeah?
The boat?
The boat. I think you took the boat, yeah?
Oh, well, yeah.
I'm coming. I'll swim my way back. I guess.
Let me out of here. Oh, look who's in a minecart already. Oh.
You're in a minecart already? Ready to go?
I'm just... Ah! No! Get back here! Ah! My minecart's leaving without me!
No, it shouldn't take off far.
I got here.
It used to do that. It used to do that. It used to go on its own, but now they fixed it so that if nobody's sitting, it won't go far. There was a time I used to chase my minecarts like, come back here! Ah!
Dude, my game's not choppy. I don't know what's going on.
PC Master Race.
Oh, I'm gonna hit this guy. Watch. I got him.
I wasn't there to see it. It didn't happen.
It totally happened. He's mad and he's following me down the tunnel.
I can't go back in. Alright, I'm coming.
Coming up.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way!
Oh, I've hit a glass cage of emotion here. Oh, hey! Get back here! Start.
I'm almost there. I'm crossing the portal.
Throw you a bone. Literally.
Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing you did now. I'm gonna hit the...
He's gonna be so mad we keep driving by him.
Actually, while I'm here, I'm gonna ask him. Did the TRU really hit you? Let's see.
Hey!
Let's see.
You better fess up in my sweet attack.
Oh, there you are, pig. Did TRU really hit you? He wishes. Ah, there you go.
Hey! Liar!
There he is. Now I see the pig, actually. Hold on. Oh, he's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. He's gonna get it.
Oh.
I hit him.
There's Jason, but he's just...
Oh my goodness! It's the end of the tracks and he's still gonna hit us. He's gonna reach us.
Hey! Don't you lead him to me?
Let's see. Yeah, he's coming. No, he despawned.
Yeah, you man.
He despawned. Let's go. Alright, just remind me to give us potions before we start attacking again, so...
Oh, yeah.
Should we start looking for the skeletons, perhaps?
Yeah, let's do something else.
Yeah.
I got like an hour. Let's do something fun and exciting.
Yes. Oh man, we're gonna die, huh? We're gonna die. Get ready to die now.
Yeah, no, we're gonna adventure. That's the word you were looking for. We're gonna adventure so hard our blood will come out of our skin.
Blood is gonna come out of our nose. You know the difference between you and me is, you are actually like, I got groceries to buy before I play Minecraft. I was like, yeah, I'll do the groceries afterwards.
Yeah, really.
And knowing fully aware that by the time I'm finished with Minecraft, the store is gonna be closed.
Yeah. And I starve now.
All right, now we need to be careful because I saw a blaze just around the corner from here. There you are.
Yeah.
Yeah. No! I hit the pig!
Oh.
I hit the pig! I hit the pig by mistake! Let's get out of here! Go, 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 go! Oh my goodness!
I'm running. I'm following the pig man, basically. Should we kill him now?
He's not gonna go after you. He's gonna go after me.
Well, should we kill him now or what?
The thing is,
oh my god!
Yeah,
there's a bunch.
Yeah, they're all gonna come now. What I need to do is leave the area and come back. If I leave the area and come back, it should be fine. Oh man. Okay, he lost it. No. Ooh, wow. There's two of them.
Oh no, I'll let you know. They're still there.
Yeah, come over here. Come over here. Come over. Not you. The pigs, I mean.
You gonna kill him? Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill him. They got a good punch, huh? They got a good punch. The thing is, I wonder. You and me, I think, should step out of the chunk and come back a little bit because we might get closer to other pigs and they get aggro as well now. So let's walk around. Let's see if these pigs will attack us, for example. Is that the ones that just spawned in the cave over here? Hello, pigs. Are you mad at us for killing your cousins earlier? He's walking my way. No, he's not. Mwah.
Yeah, beautiful little pig man, yeah.
Alright, let's go. So we're good. We're good. Because you need to like step away so they forget you. They're like, must have been some other guy.
Yeah, it was some other guy named VloggyBuddy. Probably a couple of them running around here.
They're like, they all look the same. Wait, what?
What? Racist!
They all look the same. Hey, Pigman, we think you all look the same.
Calm down, JD. This isn't what it looks like.
Alright.
Alright.
Then I said, alright.
Alright. Okay.
Alright, so let's go.
Oh yeah, where's the Blazy?
No, the Blazy's gone now. So, what we need to do is start looking around. We need to find stairs. So we're gonna avoid the Blazies now. Oh, I forgot. Stay here. I almost forgot.
That sounds like a mistake. Anytime you say stay here.
Alright, we actually gave the Pigman some potion as well now.
Oh wow! How did that guy get there?
Alright, let's come over here. Come over here. I don't want to share with him. And now we're also fire resistant. Let's go.
Ooh,
so in case we get attacked by some... Alright, there's no... Oh, what? Oh, man, we're gonna get lost here, but whatever. Alright, let's keep... Oh, no, not this way. Let's go this way. There's another blaze over there. Maybe we can ignore it. Maybe we can go past it. Trying to shoot at us. Wait a sec. There's stairs over here, but... Okay, we are resistant to fire now. I'm hoping that this works. Okay, yes, it's working. I'm swimming in the lava. And I sealed the hole. You can come over here. Actually, there's no point to this. Ah, that was a waste of time.
Oh, it's just the top of the castle.
Yeah, alright, let's get out of here.
Just swimming in lava.
Yeah, let me just mark it down so we don't actually have to go through here again. Like that. Alright, come this way. Oh, there's a skeleton. You see the skeleton up there at the top?
No. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the skeletons we're looking for. Now, like I said, there's a 2.5% chance that they drop the thing. I'm gonna kill this guy out of the way first.
Okay. Oh, wait, there's a skeleton archer.
Alright, there you go. So, how are we gonna do with this? Where did the skeleton go? Careful. The skeleton is gone. Maybe he went down the stairs?
Well, yeah, the archers are here, though. We have to kill them.
Ah, you can kill the archers, no problem. Where did the other skeleton go? This guy is annoying me.
Yeah, he won't die.
Alright, I'm gonna go up. Hold on, because it looks like there's a passageway up here. Oh, I'm withered! I'm withered! I'm withered! Careful. Careful, I'm withered. Oh, you killed him! Nice!
I don't think he dropped the...
I'm withered though, hold on. Because I'm withered.
What does that mean?
It means, it's like kind of like poison basically, until you wither till you die.
So what's the thing they may drop? I didn't get anything from it.
He dropped coal. I saw him dropping coal and bone for sure.
Oh, was that what that was? Yeah, I got bone, yeah.
Yeah,
bone
most of the time they will drop coal, but... Alright, let's try crossing over here. Hopefully we don't fall off the... Whoa. Alright, can you make it? Make a jump, make a jump.
Oh!
Yeah, it was dangerous. Let's go this way. Whoop! Whoa, careful, Skelly.
Into the danger!
Watch out. Yeah, okay, good. Because I need to eat. There's a slime on the floor. Did it drop anything? No.
I don't know.
No. Now, you might find chests around here, but they're all empty. We looted everything.
Yeah, I was gonna say, there's torches on the ground. You guys were definitely here.
Now, the skeletons, the dark skeletons spawn in darkness, so I'm gonna remove the torches actually, because they spawn in darkness, so it's better if we remove the torches. Remove torches, remove the torches.
Oh, one's over there.
Careful.
Oh, and some skeletons on the roof.
Okay, I'll take care of the black one. Oh, they're fighting each other! They're fighting each other! Look at that!
What?
Careful, 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 because he won. The black guy won.
Ow! Ow!
Careful.
Oh, there's a skeleton behind him. Like, who shot me?
Careful. Because this is dangerous, huh? Oh, it's not. Actually.
Ow, damn it.
You okay, dude? Whoa, whoa, he hit the pig! It's attacking them! The pig is attacking! Go get pig! Go get him, pig! GG, well done.
Get him, piggy.
Thank you, pig. Thank you, pig. We love you, buddy. Alright, so, check your inventory. You didn't pick up a head of a skeleton or something, did you? It's hard, it's hard.
Rotten flesh bone.
Alright, let's go this way. Watch your step, always. Oh, over here there's some soul sand if you want, because I know you were looking for some soul sand.
Yeah, but that was the old plan. I'm done with that.
Okay. But I think you will need it if you want to make potions. You still need to get some nether warts. And to grow nether warts, you will need the soul sand.
Oh, okay.
So if you want, I can help you harvest some. I found some over here. Are you going to make a wither? Yeah, that's the plan. Hey, Wolfie Gamer, welcome. Can I join us? You mean, can I join you?
Get him, man, bear pig.
But no, you can't join us. You have to be on the list. You gotta be. Oh, there's the soul sand if you want to collect it over here.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, don't use your.
Oh, damn it! I don't have a shovel.
You can mine it with your hand. It's not even that of a problem. Oh, there's a wither skeleton over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come on, wither skeleton. Skeletor, this way. What the heck? Dude, I want to fight you. Come get it, sucker. Come on. Come on, we need to make it. That's why we're trying to hunt down these withers, because we need 3 skulls.
What do these skulls do for us? What do we want them for?
We're trying to summon the wither boss.
Oh.
Yeah. You done? Looks like you are.
I got it all. Yeah, hold on.
I got it all. I got it all.
I want it all.
I want it now.
Oh, I can make nether brick stairs. Whoa.
There's nothing over here. Never mind. Let's go this way. This is a lovely fortress. I like the structure. I really like the structure.
Yeah, I'm totally gonna come back here and just totally pillage all this stone.
You could if you want. I mean, I really don't like the texture of the stone, so you can go ahead.
True land, yeah, it's kind of an
I hesitate around corners.
Vibe.
Oh, there's more soul sand. Somebody's harvested some already. Let's see where's what. This place is a maze, huh? Oh.
Hey, look at all do those stairs going up lead to like bad guys or something?
This doesn't lead anywhere. You see, this is a dead end over here.
What? I'm upstairs. Up here, right?
I'm coming, yeah, I'm coming.
Where?
Over here is a dead end. Oh, you're
Like
up there.
over there, up those stairs. Is that? Did you guys go up there and like?
I'm sure we have. We could go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Ah! My menu.
Woo! Oh, there's a skeleton over here. Look. And
Where?
he sees us. He sees us. Careful. He sees us.
Oh. Walking up. Get him, Pigman! Fight him for us.
In order for him to fight him, we need to make sure he hits him. Come on, this way. Oh, watch out, dude!
Oh, he did a thing to me.
Yeah, it's the wither. It's the wither effect. Stay away from him. Oh, there's another one. Careful. There's two of them.
Oh, they're totally trying to kill me.
Oh, uh-oh. Okay, careful.
I got this guy. Oh, he dropped
Alright,
the sword.
Whoa, 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 hit
oh,
it.
the skeleton hit the big man. Oh,
Oh, they're getting up on him. Oh!
Get him!
And we see, that's it. GG rip. Thank you very much, Pigman. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why are they hitting me now?
Whoa! What, Vloggy, what'd you do?
I didn't do anything. Are they following
they're
me?
after you. They're after you, yeah.
Alright,
Totally
I'm out
after
of here. I'm out of here.
They
With the,
Ah! They're following me now! Why did I didn't even touch him? Oh, Vloggy, you're dead?
Yes, the wither. It came out of nowhere.
Wait, what's a wither?
I'm coming. Hold on. If you can hang in there, will I get to the...
I'm running away.
Yeah, well, there's my stuff there, so if you could not run too far away from...
Okay, well, I don't know where you died.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay, they stopped being mad at me. I'm gonna try and find. I don't know where you died.
I went down the stairs. I went down the stairs, basically.
Let me try and retrace my steps here.
Hold on.
I'm really hurt.
Stupid wither. I thought I was in a safe spot. I ran away from the pigs, and then wither came out of nowhere.
Oh, all your stuff's here. I see it. I see it.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming in like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 2.5. VloggyBuddy, true nightfall. Boom.
There you go.
Bam, bam, bam. Where's my stuff?
Other way.
Oh. The wither was here. Where is... Oh, he's still here! Oh!
I got you! Run, Vloggy! Run!
No, I got my sword now. I'm good. You son of a biscuit.
Ow, damn it, he hurts. Wow, damn it.
You okay, bud? Eat.
I'm eating. Did they drop anything good? You dropped a stone sword. Stone sword!
No, we don't
Come
need the stone sword. No, stone sword.
Stone
So we got
sword.
fire resistance over here and fire resistance. We don't have strength anymore, but it will help. Here we go. So, we're just gonna go around these corridors because this is where they're spawning. Let's go this way. I went up the stairs.
Okay. Oh, it's so dark.
Yeah, it is dark, isn't it?
Oh, there you are.
There's nothing here. There's nothing here. Actually, let's go this way. See where this takes us. We are gonna get lost. We are gonna get lost.
That was our original. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get lost. That's the adventure. This is our original plan to go this way, and then pigmen interrupted with skeletons and stuff.
Why the heck do they attack us, the pig? I don't know. I think sometimes they do that.
I don't know. Well, yeah, and then as soon as they got tired of you, they just went after me, and I definitely didn't go near a pig. I see a fire guy over there.
Well, we can take him on because...
Ow. Oh, yeah, he's attacking me.
Actually, can we?
Whoa,
Hold on, careful.
whoa! That's not like just a bridge there. It's,
I did it. I jumped. Oh, careful!
Yeah.
Oh, these are stairs. You can just go down here if you want.
Sure.
Let's go down. Never mind them. Let's go. Oh!
Where are you? Where'd you go?
I went down the
Oh,
stairs.
these are stairs. Oh, I was like, where are you talking about? Oh, another one. He's launching hate at us.
He's
So
launching
we were
what?
here. Hate.
Hate. Let's go up these stairs. I think we're gonna take us to the same place, but I'm gonna eat first. I don't think there's anything over there. I'm just gonna remove the torch. Oh, this is a dead end as well. I don't think there's anything over here. No. No, rip. Over here is rip.
Rip city bit. Rip city bit.
Go down. Ouch.
Going down, baby.
We're looking for skeletons.
Oh, wow, those guys shoot from really far away.
Are there any skellies around? I'm removing torches on purpose because they need darkness to spawn.
Yeah.
If we can get one head today, giggity. If we can get one head today, it would be an accomplishment. We need 3 of them, but at least 1 out of 3 would be happy.
I heard skeleton clicking. I don't know if that was just an archer or what.
Yeah, they actually have a different sound of clicky clicky, so...
Oh, do they?
Yeah, there's nothing over here, is there? No.
It looks like you blocked
That's
it
a yeah, that's a marker because it's dangerous down there. It's a drop.
Yeah.
I'm smart, you see.
SMRT. Smart.
SMURT, smart.
Super smart.
Alright, let me just take a look over here. I don't see skellies in here either.
We're in hell.
We should live here. We should make a house and live here.
Yeah, we need it. This is definitely a summer home. Right
I wonder
here.
if we can plant
Warm
trees
weather.
over here. If we can plant trees, make grass grow and spread.
I mean, you probably just have to bring some dirt in, right?
Yeah. I don't know. We can make this work.
Oh,
a skeleton! Careful.
I see one. Ah! Yep, ow. Ow, damn it, he
Careful,
poisoned me good.
Ooh, nice. Rip. Anybody got a skeleton head? Nothing? No.
Oh, yeah, I gotta eat. Nope. No skeleton heads.
The best way to do this is with a looting sword. Having a looting sword will help a lot. Hey, you want to call the shots where we go next? Like, where we go around? I don't mind getting lost. I'm sure we'll find a way. You lead the way now.
We'll wander over here. Get some chicken.
Plant some beds. Yeah, very funny. Freddy, very funny.
You're making jokes.
Yeah, it looks like at one point we won't get up there.
Yeah, I guess you just
and we
cheated up there. Go back this way.
And we can go again, but we're gonna have to build.
Yeah. Rebuild. Oh, I hear clickety click. Is that the skeleton clickety click?
Well, I mean, you can tell the difference unless you're familiar with the sound the regular skeletons make. It would be a different clickety click.
Ow! Oh, I found a bad guy.
Oh, there he is.
The bad skeleton.
Oh, nice.
Owie. Sure. Owie, owie, owie.
No heads. He didn't give you a head. Oh, there's another one. Careful, careful. There's another one.
No head. Ah, I'm already really hurt.
That's okay. I got this. I got this. I got this. I got this. I think.
Get him, Vloggy. Get him.
Oh, he dropped the sword. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm withered. I'm withered. I need to eat. I need to eat. Contrary to poison, poison will leave you at 1 heart or half a heart, but wither will actually kill you. You will actually die from wither effect.
Oh, damn. I did not know that. Ow, ow. This stupid flame guy's shooting me. So they like to spawn right here. This is like the second time they spawned here, right?
Yes. They need darkness. So they're spawning because we removed the torches now.
Yeah. Oh, flamer guy shooting at us. He's such a flamer.
He's hot-headed. Let's get down here. Let's get down here again. Let's just look around the corridors one more time. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
I come in peace. I kid. I come here to kill you.
I come here to kill and pillage. Oh, I don't know where you went.
It's okay. I'll find you. Don't worry.
We're just gonna wander around this general area we're in.
Yeah.
So what's that sound that sounds like a furnace or something?
It goes. Yeah, that's the blaze. That's the blaze. The ones we've been killing.
Blaze, okay.
They make something like that. There you go.
Hey. I keep hearing stupid skeleton crunch around here, but I don't know where it's coming from. Do you hear it?
I actually don't. No, maybe because I got the music on though. No, I
don't see him. He's right here on the other side of this wall.
Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is. He's after you. He's after me.
Oh. We're looking at 2 different guys.
Okay, he's coming. No, no, no. It's the same guy.
Oh, okay.
Nice. No head. He didn't give us head.
No head. Yeah, why didn't we give us head?
Oh, watch out. There's another one.
I told you this is the one I was looking at.
You okay? You broke your sword. It made the sound.
I got. No, break my sword.
It sounded like you broke a sword. I don't know. What's in this box?
Oh, he dropped the sword. He gave me another stupid stone sword that I don't need.
I've got one as well. It's almost worn out. If they already dead, what does that mean? You killed them? I don't know. It's true. It's funny. I don't know. This is True's game. He needs to explain. True. What's going on?
Yeah, you see, in Minecraft, what is dead may never die. Game of Thrones reference. Anybody watch
Let me just cross. No, I didn't get the reference actually. No.
Oh, you don't watch Game of Thrones, do you?
Oh no, I don't. Is it good? I tried watching it. I didn't like it.
I don't know. I think it's really good.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I watched the first 2 episodes, and all I got from the first 2 episodes is the cute blonde girl getting banged.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I'll say this: if you aren't like, I like this show by the first episode, don't bother watching the rest.
Really? Wow. Watch out! Watch out! Go back! Careful.
I'm running.
All right, he stopped following me. Actually, there he is. Come on, you chicken! Come over here. Nobody calls me chicken.
Chicken.
Oh, he's stuck in there, I think.
Yeah, he was stuck trying to get you. Bones.
Bones. We don't want the bone. We want the head.
Want the bones? We already.
Where's Nikki? I haven't seen Nikki today.
Give us some head. Yeah, where's the Nikki?
Where's the Nick?
Where's the Nick?
2 of them! Help me, please!
Whoa. I got you, buddy.
Wow, you're good. You're strong. You're strong.
Hey, I'm strong.
I think there's another one. Yeah, there's another one.
There is.
Come on, we just need one head. One head will make me happy. You okay, dude? Need the help?
I got Sky.
Oh no! I keep confusing the code with the head because it looks very similar. But nope, nothing. We got nothing.
More irons or stone swords. Worthless.
Let's cross this very safe bridge that I've made. It's like the safest bridge ever.
Super safe, totally OSHA approved bridge.
Yeah, it's like the worst thing you can build on the Nether. A wooden bridge. It burns so easily. All right, let's go this way.
Cheers, like singing.
My music stopped.
There's no.
My music stopped. I need to find a safe spot to make more music. Alright, let me alt tab Windows real quick. I want to put some music on.
Oh no, that's Pigman.
Protect me. Protect me while I music it up.
Okay.
How about some... Ooh, 1 hour 56 of no copyright music. I like this. There we go.
What?
1 hour, almost 2 hours of non-stop, non-copyrighted music on Vloggy Radio. I should do a Vloggy Radio stream soon. I went up the stairs. Are you behind me? No.
Oh, I didn't know you were still moving. I was just twerking.
Let's keep looking for more skeletons.
Jack Skellingtons around here somewhere.
I'm at 9 chickens left actually. I need to be careful.
9? I got 59. So...
Have I been here before? Yeah, there's torches. Definitely have been here.
Kill the torches.
Oh, there's another skeleton over there, and yeah, there's a skeleton over there, and he doesn't see us. Let's go get him. Get him!
Sneak attack!
Charge, sucker!
Attack!
Oh, don't stand on the ledge like that. One hit and you're off.
Oh yeah.
Oh, something hit me! Ouch! Help me!
I see fire.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna give ourselves another potion because we need to be careful.
Tyr was unhappy.
Next time you should do radio stream with the folks. What folks? What folks? 1, 2, 1, 2.
Folks?
I like to have radio streams when I have, real life company, not... I mean, that's the way I see it, but I don't know.
Oh, Amy says, I want Minecraft. Get it, Amy!
Amy!
You can build your Resident Evil mansion.
Yes, you can live in it.
And it will be glorious.
And have ready-made zombies as well. Oh, let's kill these guys.
Hey, scumbag. Oh, they fly up. That's cheating. Get back down here.
Wow, there's so many! There's so many! I don't think I can handle it!
I got you, buddy!
There's so many!
From the Vloggy. Get away from the Vloggy. Yeah.
Wow, that was a lot. I need to eat.
Nobody.
That's a good thing we have the. It's a good thing we have the potion.
Yeah. I was like, oh, cheers singing. No, I meant that in a positive way.
Let's go this way. Yay. I think we're on our way out here. Oh, I think we made it home actually. I just realized.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Amy just keeps saying, I want Minecraft, I want Minecraft. Get it, Amy.
Yeah,
Get
yeah. We're gonna. And by the time we get Minecraft, we would have revamped the place a little bit. So,
yeah,
oh, there's a skeleton! Help me! Careful, 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 careful. There's a skeleton. Careful.
Ah!
Come over here, come over here. Just screw him.
Allie, I'll give you a place to stay, Amy. Wink, wink, wink. You can crash in Trulandia.
Make a run jump. Don't forget, there's a gap.
Oh.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
As Amy says.
Oh, this is where it leads. This is where it leads. True, look.
Oh yeah, there's your little file.
Oh, look, there's 4 of them over there. Look, there's 4 of them over there. Let's go get them.
Where?
Over here. Okay, let's dig down. Let's dig down. Oh, it's dangerous, man.
Where are you looking? Oh, it's dangerous to go alone. You need
Let's go. I'm going down.
Let's go.
I hope they don't despawn by the time we get there.
Here, follow me, Vloggy. You're going slow. Get on my side. Ow! And
oh, I'm being pushed! No! I got pushed by you! No!
How did you hit me?
I didn't hit you!
What? How did I fall off then?
You got hit! No! You fell off too!
Yeah, you hit me! You jumped behind me and hit me off!
No, what? We can hurt each other by jumping on each other? I didn't know that. No. That was a fail. Alright, we can go again. Alright, here's what we're gonna do.
Oh my god.
Are you back in Trulandia right now?
I'm in the TRU embassy.
I'm gonna teleport you to me right now.
Okay.
TP, True Nightfall, VloggyBuddy. Now, boom. You cooked some sausage. It's been a while since I cooked sausage. Where are you, man?
Oh man, us noobs.
Let's go get it. Let's go get him. Let's go get the stuff. I know where. I know the way. Man, okay, those skeletons are gone by now, definitely though. But at least we'll get our stuff back. Did you fall in lava?
No, I was on the bridge underneath us.
Me neither. All right, let's go. Now,
I saw all our stuff just. Oh yeah, is there even 2 of them now?
Yeah, let's go. Last one there, Teletubby.
No, I'm not a Teletubby. Get back here,
woo!
Does it look like I'm waving at you when I attack?
Yes, it does. It does. Hey! Does it look like I'm waving at you when I attack?
Yeah.
Hey! I like to do this though. Whee!
like the spinny carts at Disney. Smack!
Oh, you did! Oh man! You got him! You pigs! Damn pigs!
That's pigs.
Alright, now we have 4 minecarts to bring home. Okay, don't antagonize these pigs because we're here.
Oh boy.
Alright, we need to make sure to bring back the minecarts once we get home. Let's go.
Oh,
we have 5 minutes to get our stuff back. Otherwise, we're doomed. Oh man, I need to get those skeleton heads.
Oh man, I had 2 enchanted pickaxes.
Oh, why did you bring pickaxes with you anyway here? I mean,
well, they were just iron pickaxe. I thought we were gonna have to like mine stuff. I didn't know we were just on a kill.
No, we're not gonna mine anything. I mean, if you see anything you like, you can mine it. But I don't think there's anything interesting here. I mean, except the quartz. I like the quartz. It's a beautiful block. It's what I'm building the bridge in. I don't know if you noticed the white block that I used to build the bridge.
Is that
yeah.
Oh, I thought that was sheep something.
No, the sheep wool. The sheep wool. I'm using it for the cable. It pretty much looks the same. It's just kind of differently textured, but kind of looks the same.
Yeah.
The sheep wool can catch fire. The brick, the nether quartz, is not gonna catch fire. All right, let's go. Go. No, which way did we go for our stuff? I forgot. It wasn't this way. Let's keep going straight. I think it was straight.
Straight. I think straight is correct.
Then keep going straight. Trying to remember. Feels like we turned this way. Did we? Yes, we did. We did, definitely. Follow me. I know the way.
Alright.
Or not. Hold on.
Yeah, we were outside, right?
Oh, this is not it. This is not it. This is not it. Oh.
This is it. This is it, right? We went up here, and then we were drilling our way down.
Feels like it, but I don't. Was it?
Isn't it?
No, it was. Ah, I'm on fire!
Oh.
I'm on fire!
Oh,
it wasn't here. It wasn't here.
Believe. Oh, this wasn't it. This is it, Vloggy. This is it. This is it. Ow! Oh!
Where are you?
I'm here. I'm here. Now I know why we fell. Now I know why we fell. The skeleton shot us up from above.
Ah.
That's why we fell.
Seriously, dude, you died.
Yeah.
I don't even know where you are now. Where are you?
Oh, well, I don't know where you ran to. Teleport me.
I was trying to find you, but...
Because the place I said that you said no and I said yes, it is that. That's exactly where we have to go. In that little shack upstairs and across.
Hold on. I'm bringing you back. Can you cross Can you travel through the portal? You need to go to the portal in order for me to teleport you, because we're not in the same dimension right now.
Okay, I'm coming.
I'm on 3.5. I'm on 2.5 hearts, so we need to do this fast because I'm out of foods.
Oh boy.
I mean, if you make it here, then I can die again and I'll teleport myself to you, so...
Yeah. Oh, Jesus! Slenderman's after me.
Slenderman.
God damn it.
He's Enderman. Motherfucker Enderman.
Get away from me, Slender jerk. Okay, I am teleporting as we speak.
Whenever you're ready.
Oh yeah.
Are you there?
Okay, I'm ready. You're ready. Go.
Boom.
Okay. Where are we?
I think it's out here. You were out here.
Yes. Up this way. Up this way. Oh God, I'm on fire.
Okay. I didn't recognize the area though.
Yeah, it's this way.
Oh, was it?
These guys are totally because we already knocked the blocks down here. Oh God! Damn it!
No! How am I gonna do this? Oh my goodness, I'm not safe here!
I see our stuff. Just go on the other side, you'll see the wood. You'll see the wood down the side of the building.
Yeah, I'm on the wood. I'm by myself on the wood. I switched the game to peaceful right now. I switched the game to peaceful. Alright, cross the portal again. Yeah, so much for getting the skeletons now. I switched to peaceful, now they're gone.
Yeah.
But we're gonna get our stuff back. Now, cross the portal whenever you're ready, let me know. Oh!
Oh.
I'm on fire! This vlog is on fire!
Yeah.
Alright, I'm almost there. I found my stuff. I see my stuff. Can I make the
Nice.
jump? Whenever you cross the portal.
All our stuff is in one giant pile, just FYI.
Yes, we're just gonna sort our things and...
Yeah. Okay, I'm here.
Alright, I'm just gonna commit a jump. 1, 2. Actually, I can just bring you here.
Oh.
Try to follow VloggyBuddy. Boom. I'm just gonna jump.
You gonna jump?
Ooh, my bucket, my armor. Oh, some of it fell over there.
Ow.
Some of it fell over there. I see some of it over there. Look. Come over here.
Where?
Come over here. Can you see it over there? It's over down there, next to the lava. Look. Do you see it?
Oh my God, it is.
We're not gonna get there. We're not gonna be able to get there.
Well, we can drill down, right?
No. Can we? Hold on. I've got your pickaxe. Hold on. Oh, can we?
Yeah. Do you have
Hold
my,
on. Let me just do that real
pickaxe?
quick. Let me just do that real quick. Hold on. Oh,
Oh my God!
all the items I had on me are dead.
No, the lava! Damn it! No, I want to see what I can. Oh, I see enchanted things down there. Damn it, they're gone.
This is even worse now. You see what happens when you're greedy.
This is so much worse.
I'm sorry, buddy. I tried.
Oh, you did. A for effort. You were adventuring.
Alright, if you can hang in there for a little bit. Alright, I'm just suiting up one more time.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hang out here.
I'm just gonna suit up real quick.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this is just straight death down. Wow.
Okay, find a safe spot. Well, I mean, you are safe anyway, because
I'm in a safe spot.
there's no monsters right now, so you're safe. It's some peaceful.
Yeah. Oh, man. That's why they say never dig down.
Yeah, exactly. You see, lesson Amy number one. Lesson number one, Amy. But you are number one, Amy, as well.
Amy is number one.
Amy, number one!
Number one.
Woohoo! It's me,
so
Mario!
Should we just get out of here? I mean, we have like no items. I picked up.
I'm bringing stuff.
I picked up a stone sword, a pair of iron boots that must be yours because mine were enchanted.
Yeah, I'm gonna make ourselves a sword. Hold on. Would you like a diamond sword or an iron sword? What would you like?
Just iron. You don't have to waste diamonds.
Don't be shy. It's okay if you would like a
diamonds are
a girl's best friend. Don't go in lava. Don't dig straight down. The lesson is don't dig straight down. Otherwise it's RIP GG 100% pro. So this comes with me. Sorry it's taking a while, but I'm making us stuff.
All good. Probably got like a half hour of I can stream. I'm gonna be back on later to play, but I probably won't stream.
Awesome. Yeah, you can continue your fart. You can continue on your fart.
My fart.
Your fart.
My delicious fart.
I'm coming. Your delicious fart. Okay.
Oh, are you spawning? Where do you?
I'm on my way. I'm just getting some food now because I don't know if we ran out of food. So.
Oh, I picked up the chickens. I have 60 chickens.
60 chickens? All right, that's fantastic. Yeah. So instead of picking up, all right. So instead of picking up food, then what I'm gonna get is some potions, some fire resistance and strength potions. That should make us only have one left, fire resistance, and only one left. Hold on. Didn't I have a? Oh crap. All right, I got 2 fire resistance then. Let's go.
You can make a tiny bridge and get your stuff. Yeah, I know. We could Minecraft our way down there. I actually don't think there's any good stuff left. I see like 4 items. There's some wood, I think bone or something, or stone, and I think 1 enchanted sword.
She's gonna be a veggie Minecrafter. I think
veggie
Minecraft. If you're not gonna cook meat in the game, well, I mean meat is the best source of food, cooked meat. But stuff. The next best thing would be if you're gonna stick with veggies, it's gonna have to be potatoes. Potato. All right, so I'm coming.
Potato.
I'm coming to you now.
Okay. Oh man. Amy's gonna be potato.
So where are we?
Just the
Hold
potato.
on. Oh, okay, we're here. So let me just give you some stuff. I mean, that's all we got right now. So let me just give you something as well. You can have this and this. And
what's this?
And I'll give you this. And I would like some food.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Get ready for more danger. I just switched it back to normal.
How? How do I do the thing where I like take half a stack or something?
Right click on the stack. Ah, there's fish as well. There's fish as well.
Here is some delicious cooked chicken for you, sir.
Oh yeah, baby. Are you ready to go? I got my sword. I made you. I didn't listen, by the way. I made you a diamond one.
I saw that. Yes.
I don't listen.
Are you gonna?
I do not listen.
Are you gonna put it back on kill people mode?
I'm angry now. I'm gonna have to. Oh, there's a blaze over here. Blaze over there. Blaze, 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 blaze everywhere. Where?
Blazing everywhere.
Blazing everywhere. Where?
Oh my god! Oh my god! I almost fell off a cliff. I forgot. Oh,
I see.
See a guy?
I see a black one. Oh, come on, dude! Whoa.
There,
hold on, I need to eat. I'm on 2 hearts. I see a skeleton over here. I see a black one. Yeah, here he is. He's coming! Ah!
Okay.
Careful, because I need to regenerate my health.
You regenerate. I'm gonna take care of business.
Nice.
Got him.
How many heads did he drop? Like 7? You're right.
17. Dropped 17 heads. It's pretty crazy.
Pescatarian Minecrafter. That's good. Oh, there's one over here! Careful! Oh, right around the corner. He ambushed me.
I have like 2 hearts.
All right, go. I'll take care of this one.
All right.
I'll take care of this. Oh, and I have this.
Oh,
I have this. My sword is better than yours, you skull.
Vloggy's sword is so much bigger than yours.
Oh, and all he dropped was the bone and the sword. Come on, dude. Drop your head. There's a slime.
Oh! It's coming down the stairs. He's like a little ninja.
Oh.
Nope. Nothing.
Still nothing. This is gonna be quite the challenge, you know. I want the Jill or Ada Minecraft skin. I'll look for one. I'll look for one for you.
Oh, an Ada. Oh yeah, be Ada.
But what you need to do, Amy, is stick with the skin. All right, stick with the skin. Choose one and stick. Don't change one every week.
Yeah, like I am.
Choose your character. He's true. He's actually true. Look, take off your helmet. Let me show them your face.
Oh yeah, look at me. I'm true.
He's the actual icon. You see? He's the actual. But he's with Umbrella. He's Umbrella agent.
As an Umbrella agent.
Me. No pantalones.
Well, let me see. Hold on. Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh wait, but let's.
No pantalones.
Your
you see my skid mark?
And let's see. Oh, it's the vloggy skid mark. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
I didn't wipe properly. All right, let's go. Oh, there's a skeleton over there.
Oh, let me eat. Yummy.
Oh, 3 of them. Oh, nice. Oh. Come on. Oh, 2 of them see us. Careful,
boy,
2 of them see us.
Oh boy.
That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. I'm too withered. Oh, nice. Oh, there's another 2. Careful.
Do you want to heal?
I need to heal. Yeah. Let's just wait for them. Actually, they don't see us from far. That's a good thing.
Yeah. They're very nearsighted.
I need 4 more hearts to gain. I need to gain 4 more hearts, and then we're good. Come on, 4 more hearts, please. Come on, game.
Give us the heart, yo.
Come on. All right, 3.5. We're gonna be okay. Let's go.
This guy sees us. He sees us.
Whoa.
Going in. Got him. No skeleton.
No head.
No,
all right, let me just...
heads.
Withered away. No. You didn't.
Owie.
You weren't looking at after your. That's okay.
I was trying to eat, but dang, that was quick. I had full health.
No worries. Lol, ew. Amy.
Ew, come on.
Come on. We've all been there.
You have to love Vloggy for everything.
We've all been there.
Right?
We've all been there.
We've all.
Sometimes you make a duty and there's no toilet paper and you just pull your pants up. You're like, whatever. It's gonna be one of those days.
It's gonna be a bad day.
It's gonna be a bad day. I'll just avoid people today.
Yeah.
When you cross the bridge, when you cross the portal, let me know. I'll bring you back.
Alright.
What? Does he see me? No. Okay. Whew. Oh yeah, he sees me now. Oh my goodness, he's making a run for it.
Man.
Oh my goodness. All right, no, I can't bring you back now. Okay.
Okay. Do what you gotta do.
Haha, he fell into the. Okay. Okay, I killed him, but no head, obviously. All right, so I'm bringing you back now.
I'm ready.
Go eat your stuff.
Oh, items, delicious items.
I hate that when. I hated that one. Did you see, Freddy, how fast he ran towards me? He sprinted towards me. I've never seen him run like that, the skeleton. It's like, it blew my mind. It was terrifying.
Is this your redstone?
Must have fixed up some of my stuff when I died, though. It's okay. You can have it. It's a gift. It's a gift. Put it in a frame.
Oh man, it looks like. Oh, did you collect my chickens by chance? Because I don't see them up
I got 26. Oh, careful.
Oh, that means
now I'll give you half of my stuff. Yeah, the thing is, when you die, sometimes your items like pour out of you. They fire away out of you, and sometimes they. So that's what might have happened. I'm gonna give you half of my stack. No worries. Here we go. Now you, I'm gonna have your back. So I'm gonna go in first.
You see if Amy. Vloggy is my sexual fantasy.
There's one over here. I'm gonna handle it. Don't go up the stairs, all right? Don't go up the stairs.
All right. Get him?
Yeah, I'm just taking care of the wither. The blaze. All right, we're good. You're good to go. No, because you don't have potion on you now, so that's why I wanted to go in first. Alright, so there's nothing here, still at the end. But there was a skeleton, we got nothing. Listen, if we collect just one skull, we go back home, alright? We don't want us dying and losing that one skull, because I think they're rarer than diamonds at this point.
They like to spawn here.
Vloggy is my what? Am I what?
Oh. Yeah, Vloggy.
Okay, so Amy, you wouldn't tell me what you dreamt about last night? But you're okay, because it was too embarrassing, and now you're saying it in chat publicly? Come on.
Hey. I see a guy. I see a guy.
I'm coming. You see a black guy?
He's oh, Vloggy. Let's careful how we say that. There's two guys over there actually.
Alright, let's
see
go.
him up there on the ledge.
Let's go.
Can we get up here from here?
Yes, there's no stairs. No, they're going down. These stairs are going down actually.
Yeah, we have to go across the way and do the leap of faith. That's where we fell to our deaths in the first terrible series of misfortunate consequences or whatever the hell else. I mean, we could totally just put a block there. I don't know why we.
It's true. But now you remove the danger.
Yeah. Vloggy, did you just fall?
No, on purpose.
Oh, you did that on purpose. But he's up here.
What? Oops.
Like with me. Damn it! Ow! I fell down the hole.
Let's do it again. I thought we were supposed to go in the hole.
No, he's on the side there. I'm like, why is Vloggy running away? Oh, that's a pigment up here now.
Is he gone now?
His friend is over here though. There he is. Got him. Ow.
There's two of them. Careful.
Oh, I gotta eat.
They're climbing up.
I gotta eat.
Eat.
Okay, I'm good.
Alright, they're dead. Rip. GG.
Oh,
Not a single bone. Throw me a freaking bone here.
Oh yeah. Give me a freaking bone.
Oh, watch out. They're climbing up. Why is he going?
Oh! Five of them!
Whoa! We hit the jackpot, baby!
Let's just lure like one guy here.
Yeah, one of them is coming. Come on. Alright. We need to be careful if he hits us off the...
Oh yeah. Just go straight back. I'll watch your back here. I'll let you know if you're at a weird angle. Just straight back. Yep, you're good. Oh, careful when you angle all weird like that.
You're a good coach.
Yeah, take him.
Oh, I think another one's coming now!
Go a little. Yep. Just go straight
Can
back.
I get some help, please?
Oh, okay, I got you. I'm coming in.
That one should be dead. Alright.
There we go. Okay.
Oh, two of them, careful!
Here, I'll go in, then you go in, okay? Here,
whoa! Nice.
Oh no.
Being kicked to the side. Okay, I'm withering. Eat. Eat.
Okay, you okay?
I cannot die. Yeah, I just need to eat. I need to... Oh, man.
Okay.
Give me a sec. I need to regen.
No frickin' bones. Okay, there's still one. Oh, ow. Damn it.
Careful.
I'm on fire.
Come over here. Quickly.
Oh, God, I'm gonna die.
I fixed you.
Thank you.
I fixed you.
You fixed me, eh?
So,
Okay,
not even a single head, nothing. Nobody got a head out of those skeletons?
Nope. There's still two down there, though. And one, they've kind of separated, so it should be a little easier.
Yeah, I think so.
But watch out, there's those flame guys over there.
They can throw all they want now. We're fire resistant right now. So.
Oh, that's right.
Alright, I'm gonna get this guy.
Okay. I will go. Don't back up there. We have no ledge behind us here.
Alright. But I like to gain some, you know.
There you go.
If he dies and the loot falls into the lava.
Oh my god! If I see a skeleton fall.
Another one's coming.
His friend's coming. Okay, okay. I'm gonna watch you.
No. Oh my.
Okay. You're at the top of the stairs, so be careful.
No, I got withered.
Oh, okay. I'll come in. Back up.
Yeah, I need to eat.
Got him. Yeah.
Okay. No loot.
Bones.
Nothing.
Bones and fire. Let's see if there's any skillies over here. I can't see anything. This stupid fire is taking out my whole screen. There we go. Oh, watch out. There's a gaping hole here. I almost fell into that thing when the screen was on fire.
Alright. Let's go up here.
Oh, pig man.
We're down here. We're safe from blazes at least. I'm gonna eat. Nom. Man, I don't know how we're gonna get 3 heads.
Yeah. Jeez. Pigman.
Na.
Pigman.
Okay, it's a dead end.
Oh yeah, it is. Well, that seems to be like a good little. Oh, is that a skeleton off in the distance or a pigman?
Hold on, I can't see that far. Hold on, let me just come over here.
Not on the right here on the stairs. That's definitely a pigman, but on the left. You saw? I think it is. I see a sword. I think that is a guy. See on the left there, that left tower.
Ah, your potion effect wore off.
Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Yep,
Your potion
I'm on
effect
fire.
wore
Oh
off.
god!
Careful.
I'm running. I'm running.
I don't see the skeleton though. I don't see a skeleton.
Well, I'm just gonna run away because I'm gonna be lit on fire.
Yeah, go. They're after you.
I see him. There is a skeleton over here, for sure. He's right across the way from me. Oh my god, he's like on a cliff.
Oh, I see him now. Yeah. He's beyond reach anyway.
Yeah, we cannot get that guy.
Let's go to safety.
Yeah,
Man,
I'm running over here.
We need those potions.
Oh, damn it! These stupid flamers.
I don't think we're safe. I don't think we're safe here either. I think we need to fall into this hole.
Here.
Let's fall into this hole. That one's
Go
safe.
into a random hole. That's Vloggy's answer to everything.
Ah, now I'm gonna eat. Okay, Geshi early asked us where everybody is. We're in the nether.
We're running around like
nether danger.
I said we're nethering.
Ah, he's in the fortress of the nether as well. He's here as well.
Well, tell him to find a skeleton.
Okay, where is he? We haven't found him.
I'm sprinting across inside.
I'm coming this way. I took fire pot. I took a fire pot, but potion, but almost finished. Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna need to bring more potions with us or something, cause.
Yeah.
But I'm running out of magma cream, huh? So, oh, there's a skeleton over there. I'll take care of him.
Yeah. Is this? Where are we? I'm running out of chicken too, actually.
Yeah, I'm down to 3 as well. I mean, I don't want to commit suicide though because I got my diamond sword on me, so it's better if we go back.
Dang it!
So
that's
let's
stupid.
find the way out. Let's find the way back.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like.
Stupid.
Oh, there's a skeleton over there. Look where the skeleton is over there.
I know.
It's the same one. That's the same
block.
one.
Yeah. What a jerk.
Alright, now which
It's
way?
a jerk move, skeleton.
Watch out.
Oh!
Oh, it's this way. Follow me. This way. It's this way. Now we need to find a workbench. There should be a workbench here somewhere. Somebody created a workbench. Yeah, make sure you keep yourself this way. All right. There's a. I think my potion. No, it didn't run out. I'm gonna kill these guys real quick.
Okay.
So many of them. All right, keep going straight. Oh, there he is. He's coming. Geshi's here. You okay, dude?
This Geshi's on fire.
Whoa, Geshi. Geshi's on fire. I mean, as in... Hey, Toby. Welcome. Man, this was tough.
What up, Toby?
Geshi.
Yeah, man, that is hard.
Yeah, Geshi.
Is there a spawner for those
Do you have
guys?
food? Do you have food left? I've got 5 if you need any.
I have 2, so I mean, I'll make it back. But is there one of those spawners for those guys? Is that a thing or no?
Hold on, I'm typing. What, sorry?
Like, you know how there's spider spawners and zombie spawners? Is there a spawner for those big skeleton guys?
No, there isn't, no.
Nope.
So, this way.
There she is. One diamond dude.
Let's go back. Everybody grab a minecart now.
Yeah, that's true. Well, we have to break one now, right? So we don't leave.
Yeah, we have to take one with us, I'm gonna set up a whole system now where you push a button and one gets dispensed, you get in, you know, and then it breaks and it automatically falls back into the dispenser once you get back. I'm gonna do a whole system. You know me. That's my automated
fancy
stuff. Geshi's behind us,
yeah,
alright?
that's amazing. High-tech Minecraft.
Watch out for the little baby. Or as you like to call them.
Get in my belly!
Oh, I wanna kill him. I wanna hit him.
Do it!
I'm gonna hit him.
Baby attack!
Are they behind me?
Yes.
I wanna stop and look, but I'm afraid.
It looks like they're chasing me now.
I wanna stop and look, but I'm afraid.
You can look. You got some lead on. Look. You can stop. You can
Okay, we're good. We're good. They gave up, actually.
They just gave up, yeah.
Haha, suckers! We show them who's boss.
Yeah.
Everybody get a minecart. How is it that there's... Okay, no. Alright, get in one. Let's go. Get out of my way! What are you doing?
Oh,
dude.
Damn it.
What's he doing? Why is he not getting in a minecart?
Who?
Geshi, he's just walking it. He's just hoofing it.
He's hoofing it, huh?
Oh, I'm gonna run over him. I'm gonna run over him. I'm gonna hit him with my sword if he doesn't get away. Out of the way. Out of my way! Out of my way! Wow, man, he's actually running as fast as the minecart. I can't catch up with him. He went to the side. He went to the side now.
He got some enchanted boots.
Does he? I don't know. Maybe he have a potion of speed.
I don't know. Oh, look, his
hit him! Hit him! Hit him! Hit him! Hit him! You did! Sorry.
He's gonna like kill me now with his like enchanted diamond sword.
Oh man. Oh man, this is hilarious. This game is hilarious.
I gotta run before Geshi kills me.
Nah, it's okay. I'm just gonna put the cards back into the... No problem. See, he's okay. Let's go. You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm going to... I was thinking maybe I should make a bow and arrow. So maybe we can hit them from a distance.
If you want it.
Nah, I can craft one easily. Maybe we can hit them from a distance. I'm gonna regroup. I'm gonna make myself a potion. The thing is...
Okay, I'm probably gonna have to call it now.
Ah, it's okay. It's okay. You have
but
to...
I'll be back later on.
You have to adult.
Yeah, I gotta adult a little bit, but then I'm gonna not adult the rest.
Yeah, baby. That's how I like you.
Yeah.
Alright, buddy, no problem. Thanks so much for hanging out with us.
Yeah.
I'm gonna end off the stream as well. I'm gonna end off the stream. And actually, you know what? No, I'm not gonna end off the stream. We're staying. I'm staying. I'm staying. I want to build something.
Go for it.
I'm gonna build something.
All right.
Hey, Timothy, welcome.
See you later.
Bye, TRU. Bye, have a great time.
Bye,
have a great time. Bye, have a great time. Take care, buddy.
Have a good time.
Bye, bye. And TRU is gone. Well, TRU is gone from the game.
He's
still here. He's still here in spirit. All right. So I'm thinking of building something. We'll see what we're gonna do. What are we gonna build? I don't feel like building. Go away, TRU. You're still here. I know you are.
Oh. It's just me, Amy. I just wanted to say hi.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. I thought it was. I'm sorry.
I got me cuppa and Bosco's got my lap foot and yeah, it's a stinky bugger.
That's a very good impression. It's uncanny. Yeah, I decided I'm gonna build a house.
I will catch you later.
See you, buddy. Take care. Bye. Have a great time. So, chat, it's just you and me now. It's just you and me, chat. I'm gonna get comfy. I'm gonna take off my pants. Oh man. So I think I'm gonna do something. I think I'm gonna do something. I feel like a project right now. I feel like a project. I mean, I should continue the dragon. I should continue the bridge. No, I'm gonna start a new project because that's how I roll, baby. That's how I go. Can you do Austin Powers? Yeah, baby. I cannot do it right. I don't think I can. Look at all the cactus that I have. Look at all the cactus. I have cactus. Do you like to cactus? I like to cactus. I like to cactus. That's enough. Did Timothy just lel? Oh, I almost hit the spines. The thorns or whatever they're called. It's better to mine from the bottom, obviously, because all of it breaks down if you mine the bottom. But it's not just that. Look what happens if you mine from here. Well, actually, let's see if it happens again. You see, it gets destroyed because the thorns destroy the item. Look, you see, it's not good. So when you do that, oh, actually I picked it up. Good catch. I picked it up as well. Should I start a new project when I've got two projects that aren't finished? I've got the dragon over there. And I've got the bridge over there. I don't know if I should start a new thing. I want to build something. I want to build... I don't know if I should. I need to find a way to climb up. I like to bork. I like to bork too. I need to find a way. Do the PP project, poop project. Need to finish this whole thing here. And there's a cactus farm here anyway, so... But I like what she did. I like what Nikki did with the whole place. I like that. Now we're gonna have 2 trees from here. 2 jungle trees, probably. Maybe some vines over here hanging. Because Toby just mentioned vines, and it sounds like a good idea. I want to build something now. I have something in mind. Look at all the cactus. It is a cactus time. So, I'm thinking. Whether I should... Yesterday I had this idea of making apartments. Maybe I should build them over there. I'm having thoughts maybe I should remove the greenhouse. Should I remove the greenhouse or not? I see Geshi in his base over there. I see him. I just noticed, I misspelled letters. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I want to build apartments. Maybe a nice mansion, a nice house over there on the island. Sounds good. I would like to do the island thing. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Maybe I need some inspiration. I need to look at a few things to get some inspiration. Inspiration. Vloggy, you already left another... No, I feel like building now. I feel like building. He's not watching the stream, I think. I feel like building. Let me just tell him I'm streaming. Just in case. Alright, so let's see. Let me look around real quick. I have a few ideas that I want to do. Nice house, nice mansion, nice Minecraft. Let's see, get some ideas. I like this. Wow. Let me see. I'm going through some ideas. Let's see if I can cook something. like this. I really like this. Maybe I can give it some sort of a vloggy twist to it.
Everyone remembers Christmas.
Oh, we're getting some adverts now. That's very cheap. All right. How do I color clay? I want to get some clay, but it feels very expensive to make. Hey Varalis, welcome. No one is here for... Yes, I'm here. I'm here. Trying to think what I can do. TYT, Mr. Geshi. You know what I should work on, but anyway. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now I made myself. Whoops, noob. I made myself 3 shovels. I want to make a beautiful... I'm gonna have to remove the sand from here though. Maybe... Let's see, something like this. I'll just leave an outline. I'll just leave the outline basically. Something like this. This needs to be grass. I need the dirt though, I don't have dirt, so... Dirt? So against the wither, how do I remove the poison? You don't. You have to wait it out. Eat so it doesn't kill you. Dude. Dude. As far as I know. Could I be wrong? I don't think so though. I think I'm rarely wrong. I'm rarely wrong. I was already wrong once today. I don't know, dude. Why you ask me? Ask Wiki. I'm streaming. But I'm rarely wrong. And I was already wrong once today, so what are the odds of me being wrong twice in a day? No, oops, almost. Mind the wrong thing. No! Milk bucket? Okay, apparently... Toby says milk bucket. I'm not so sure about that though. I'm not so sure. It works against poison, but I don't know if it works. I don't know. Trying to remove the sand from... this needs to be grass, only grass. I'm just leaving the sides. So like by the water it would be sandy, you know? The rest is gonna be grassy. There we go, just gonna remove the sand. I'm only gonna remove the sand because I don't need the sand. I'm gonna need the sand. A lot of stone here as well. It gets rid of all the effects, but it's not a permanent fix. Okay, interesting. Interesting, Toby. Alright, so just good to remove some more. I broke a shovel already. You see why I made 3? I already broke one. I wonder what Geshi's up to right now. I think he's back in the nether. Oh, Nikki's joined the game. Nikki! But I don't think she's watching. She never watches my streams. Women. I'm kidding. Of course I'm kidding. I always make a nice joke. Nikki's here. Nikki! Okay, hold on. Oh, whoa, where'd you come from, sucker? He does a little smiley face with a little hair on his face. Alright, so... Wow, the island's bigger than I thought. Nice, it's gonna look good. Alright. Weather clear. Throws cupcake at Vloggy. Eat the goodness. I haven't had a cupcake in a while. No, I want cupcake. Thank you. What time is it? You know what? I need to end the stream at least before 10 o'clock PM. Right now it's 8:22, so I can stream for another while. But... I need to make sure to go buy some groceries because I'm out of stuff to cook. The thing is, everything's frozen in my freezer. Everything is frozen in my freezer. So I don't know what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. All the steak is frozen. I need to get rid of this creeper. This is a health hazard here. Oh, she's listening! She is listening! I guess she's just lurking. Hello, Mr. Creeper. Ugh. I know of a sure way to get this, the Wither Skull heads. I know of a sure way 100% that it will work. But we need charged creepers to do that, and... yeah, how am I gonna get a charged creeper? And I have to lead them to a... I need to get the charged creeper and lead them all the way to a Wither Skeleton. And do that 3 times. It's impossible. How am I gonna get Wither Skeletons? How am I gonna increase the odds of getting a Wither Skeleton? That's the thing. When it storms. Yeah, but... because, Nikki, me and TRU, we've been in the nether, trying to get a Wither Skull. Man! We must have killed tons of skeletons, Wither Skeletons. But nope, not a single one. Not a single one. Not a single... I was hoping with these to get 1 out of 3, but nope. Oh, look! Look what we got! Oh, nice. I'm gonna get that. Let me pick it up right now, actually. I'm gonna get that. That's clay. I need dirt. I need a lot of dirt. I know where there's dirt. Oh, you know what? From one project to another. I'm gonna go to the Guardian Temple where I was depositing the sand. I'm gonna go to the Guardian Temple. Actually, I broke another shovel, you see? So I'm gonna put this sand over there, and I'll bring with me a bunch of dirt. There's dirt over there. I need that dirt. Dirt, 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 dirt. Looting. Yeah, I had a looting 2 sword and I didn't get anything. I probably need a looting 4 or something. Is there a looting 4? Does it exist, looting 4? I saw a looting 3. But that's what I'm gonna have to do, yeah. Work on getting a bunch of XP from my XP grinder. I have an XP grinder. It's not the best looking one, but it's gonna have to do. Look at all the sand I'm collecting. gonna have to borrow Geshi's boat now. So yeah, looks like I've got a couple of targets for now. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take all the sand back to the Guardian Temple. I'm gonna deposit all that over there and bring with me dirt. I'll place it here. When I'm done with that, I shall grind some XP. Am I even collecting it? Yes. My inventory is almost empty. I mean, I don't mind filling it up with sand. It's good that you die every now and then. You empty your inventory. There's stuff that I don't want to throw away, like strings and spider eyes, thinking I'm never gonna find more of these. I'm almost out of this shovel as well. That's 3 shovels in total. So once again, for those of you that didn't see the plan that I have for the Guardian Temple, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take you there, and I'm gonna show you what the plan is, how we're gonna suffocate the whole place. We're gonna dry it up. Once we dry it up, funnily enough, I'm gonna actually make a farm, and I'm gonna sink it in water again, but to create a farm. But it's a big project. Is there a lot? Yeah, there's a lot of sand. I'm gonna have to go back. Take the long way around. Nikki removed my stairs. There's no way up to my house. I was like from the back. You know, I have 2 levels of, I have 8 levels and I've got 2 shovels. Let me see if I can get something out of this. What do I get? Fortune 3? Wow. Fortune 3. What about my pickaxe? What's my pickaxe? Fortune 3 or Fortune 2? Hold on. Yeah, I already have Fortune 3. How do you loot a witherhead? You kill one. Ah, you kill one. Why do you ask me, dude? Alright, so I already have loot 3 anyway, so there was no point. I'm gonna check something actually. Let me see if I get looting from the sword. Bane of Arthropods, Fire Aspect. Actually, I need level 17, and it's a Fire Aspect one, so useless. Better luck next time. Efficiency. What is this gonna give me? Another efficiency. I'm gonna waste a bunch of levels to try this. I don't know, I don't care. So I got efficiency 1 and efficiency 2. Do I get efficiency 3 if I combine them? I doubt it. No, I won't do that then. Hold on, let me try something. No, duration in seconds. Alright. Okay, come on, game. Thank you, Vloggy. Got a bunch of mobs now that I need to kill. Alright, come. No, you stupid! Oh my goodness! Oh. That was close. That traitor. That stupid creeper, man. Made a hole. Oh, crap. No! Crap. Oh, goodness. Ah, I'm dead. Ah! Oh, man. It's a good thing I enchanted them. And all that stuff, all that loot, my goodness. Ah! All that sand. Where is it? It's gone, of course. Now it despawned. Where's the stuff? Ah, there it is, over there. You know what I'm gonna do to you? Have a great time. It's gonna be a pain for me to pick up my stuff. Did I get all the sand back? Feels like I didn't, but I'm gonna check. Feels like I had more than that. Did I? No, I think that's enough. No, that was it. Let's go. My goodness. Why won't you leave me in peace? Oh, my sword, that's right! Toby, thank you so much. Man. See what happens? I see it over there. No, I don't see it. I don't care about the armor, honestly, but... Can't see a thing, dang it. Oh, I see more of this over here. Yes, I found my... Oh, that's enough. All I cared about really is the... Man, you see the inconvenience? That's why I despawned him like that. Not that I couldn't take him down, of course I can. It's just the inconvenience, man. At least I got the sword back, that's all I care about. Thank you, Toby, wow. Nice observation. I didn't even know what I had on me. So, we stick with the plan. I'm gonna grab all the sand, take it with me. I'm gonna need to fix that hole as well now, huh? Look at the mess freaking made. Look at that. Alright, so let's just use what we don't need over here. I mean, I do need this dirt, but it's more important that I close this off first. I also had some chicken on me, I think, but it's gone. Whatever. Vloggy, what do you prefer? Rock music or classic? Everything. If you're in the right mood for it, I'd go for anything, but you have to be in the right mood for it. Toby, I want to ask you something. I asked a question this morning on Discord. I don't know if you saw it, but I posted a classic... I don't have a freaking pickaxe on me. I posted a classic track from Minecraft back from the alpha days. And I said that I haven't heard it in a while. I was wondering, but mostly because I think I mute the music, so I don't know if it's still there. I wonder if that song is still there. You know which song I'm talking about? The one that goes dun 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 dun. Yeah, I'm sure that made perfect sense. I think an advert's coming up. No. Whoops, wrong. Oh, whatever. Apparently I changed shuffles now. Probably it is. I haven't heard it in a while, but again, it's because mostly I mute the music, so... Yep. Alright, let's go now. Let's go now. Let's go right away. I'm gonna get me some foods. I wonder what Nikki's doing. I wonder if she's actually working on something or just AFK. Because sometimes she's AFK. Let's see if she's AFK. Well, you see, we need to set up pathways. I can't get to my chicken, I can't get to my... She's still there. Oh, she's here. You got me. You got me, girl. Let me see if we got some fresh beef in here. Ah, it's not cooked. Everybody gets lazy feeding the cows. This is even better because this is automatic. This is even better, look. Automatically, look, it's gonna drop. Look, it's dropping feathers, you see? Ah, well. It's easier, eh? Because it's automatic. So I'm gonna throw this away. And I'm gonna eat some chickens. And I'm gonna steal a boat from Geshi now. I'll bring it back, of course. He always has a boat, usually. Geshi, Mr. Geshi! This is Geshi's lab. Where he does the experiments on llamas. Wow! Yeah, all sorts of experiments. He has a mob spawner over there. In order for me to steal a boat, I have to go into his house. Sorry! Now, I hope you have a boat. You have a boat? He always has a boat. You see, he always has a boat standing by. Very useful. I'll bring it back, I promise. I'll bring it back! So we're gonna go to the Guardian Temple now, from one project to another. I'm gonna deposit the sand real quick, down there. You see the underground, look at that. We already formed like 2 walls, so we already encased 2 sides of the temple. We're gonna drown the whole thing. There's another boat over there. Ah, I'll bring it with me back now. I'll bring it back with me and I'll leave it at Geshi's dock. Times it times 0. So we did one side, the other side. Now we need to do the other side over there. Basically what we're gonna do is this. Alright, this is one wall. The sand you see is one wall. This is just the outline. This doesn't count. So this is the first wall. Alright. Then we're gonna do a second wall. Alright, so that will be too thick. Alright. Obviously, it's going to cost less sand because of the circumference, you know, gets smaller the circumference. And once we complete that, all right, we're going to do a third one. We're going to do a third one, then dig up the middle one because it will have dried. So we can use the sand. Let's see. Yeah, something like that. We'll see. Yes, then we can dig up the middle one and we can dig up this one. No, but water is going to come in from here. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not sure how the plan is going to work, but something like that. We're going to be recycling the sand more or less. Something like that. So, yeah, we're going to dry up the whole place. We're going to dry up the whole place for sure. For shizzle. That's the only way I know. I mean, going down there is suicide. We tried a couple of times, but blah. We tried with water breathing potions. We tried with strength. No, nothing. And I want to take my time exploring the place, you know, how it is made and the rooms and, you know, we managed to mine a block or two, but obviously the closer we get to the middle, we're going to require less and less sand, so hopefully, it shouldn't be as, hopefully the hardest part is over, I guess. I mean, I don't know. Maybe the hardest part is not over yet, but it gets easier with every block we place. If she shoots at me, that fish, there she is. But I can hide like this, you see. I like to think that they know what we're up to. So that's why they're shooting at us. We need to get to the treasure. But we're protecting the squids already. The squids can't get in, so they're not gonna get hit. But for some reason that squid wanted to get in. Up to you, Mr. Squid. Oh, she just died, I think. It's very deep here. It's taking forever. It's like a whole stack. It's very deep over here. Yeah, it's gonna get easier with every circumference that we make. Gold blocks and sponges. Yeah, but the thing is, there's also... I'm gonna mine the whole tower, the whole temple, I'm gonna mine it. The whole thing is gonna go down for the resources. But then I want to set up a... I'm gonna set up a farm. One of those farms that automatically grinds. Because apparently when they die, they drop. Rip temple. Hey, Indigo! Hello, yeah, it's a long way from calling it a rip. It's gonna be a while. Look at that. I thought we finished two sides. I thought we finished three sides. Actually, what we finished is one side, half of, well, 3/4 of that one and 3/4 of this one. So let's see how far this sand will take me. This is a very easy task, so I would appreciate help from Geshi, for example, if he's on the server and would like to help with this, or maybe Nikki. I know Nikki's been helping as well. Because we're all gonna share the loot. Well, actually, if nobody helps, if somebody doesn't help, they're not getting loot. As simple as that. You help me with something and we share the goods. We share the goodness. At least it takes a while before they start shooting. They take the aim first. Oh, hello. At least they take the aim first. Let me just check real quick on some stuff. We need those sponge blocks. Those sponge blocks are one of a kind anyway. You know that there's another temple besides this, but it's gonna get easier, I think, because once we dry this temple, we can use the sand we used here over there to do the same thing, you know? So, yeah, but there's 2 temples that we need to dry up. I wish there was an easier way. I mean, this is an easy way, kind of. But, I mean, going down there is impossible. Has anybody ever done that? I mean, of course it's not impossible, but it's very hard. And I mean going down there legit, not on creative mode. 100% survival. This is the theme. You did, but on 100% survival, come on. It would take a lot of work to do that. Yeah, I know, but I think, I would believe that the hard part will be over. You know, once we do the first circumference, and then we do the second one, the closer we get to the middle, it's gonna get smaller and smaller and smaller. And then we have the sand. We can use the same sand you know, same sand from here to keep going towards the middle, you know? I don't know. I don't know. It's a long-term project, you know? That's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome once you see the whole structure dried up, you know? And here I was hoping that I would have finished this today. I'm barely gonna finish this. You just soft reset it a shiny. That's nice. Can you see me? I found a spawner of what? 'Cause wow, Shiny Crusade, that's amazing. % survival, teleporting. Oh, yeah, that's normal. Ah, come on, teleporting is fine. Teleporting is fine. Come on. Teleporting and set time 0. That's all we do. Other than that. A water pump machine. Yeah, it's true. Well, I mean, there's the sponges. You could use the sponge and it dries up a big chunk of water. Well, a decent chunk of water. Sponges can help. But the thing is, the sponges are found down there anyway, so there's no point. I want a sponge, or 12, or whatever. I need... Teleportation is legit, MC now according to Motion, otherwise I wouldn't edit in it. But then again, even give VloggyBuddy 1 million sand. You know? So it's really up to you, really. I mean, when I say 100% survival is like when you have to deal with hunger, you know, resources, that kind of stuff. It's very deep over here. It's very, very deep. There we go. I'm gonna make sure that what I said earlier is correct. Hold on. It's happening on Saturday. Hold on. So I'm working a night shift. I'm not even making sense. How about Sunday? Sunday is the marathon. It's my turn to play the marathon. So, man, I think I'm biting more than I can chew. But I was thinking maybe I could do the stream before the marathon. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, there's some night vote. I think I put these higher actually. Look, when we went down there, yeah. Look at all the dirt. I have all the dirt. Yeah, I'm gonna need that. Some food as well. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna try. I was thinking of cooking as well on Sunday. I really wanted to cook as well. I want to do a cooking stream. Pour lava into the water. No, it doesn't work like that. Doesn't work like that. If only. If only. It would make a great mess, I think. So it's gonna be Sunday, yes, because everybody wants to battle me, and I have a bunch of people lined up that want to battle, and I'm excited to fight all of you, you know? I want to battle Indigo for sure, I want to battle Toby for sure, I want to battle TRU for sure, I'm gonna battle Midna for sure. Who else? Who else? Who else? Ah, Feisty as well. So it's gonna be an interesting stream. I'm gonna enjoy it. Basically, I know Indigo. I saw that. I mean, I saw the clip when he did that. I saw his face, his reaction. That was priceless. That was epic. That was epic. Was he soft resetting though? I didn't realize it was soft resetting. I just skipped to that part exactly. Was he soft resetting? But anyway, wow, that was good. Takes forever soft resets. I don't have the patience for that. Especially when you have PK hacks like me. No, but seriously. Is somebody shooting at me? No. You're gonna battle me, Toby, as well, are you? Whoa, 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 sucker. Don't you dare, you cheapo. Oh, so by the way, speaking of Pokemon and shiny and stuff, I'm not going for shiny legendaries, just carp. Speaking of shiny carp, by the way, I don't know if you guys know. I'm sure Red already knows, but they actually they updated Pokemon Bank to work with Pokemon Gold and Silver. You know, so I can transfer my Pokemon Gold and Silver Pokemon to Sun and Moon. And again, I'm gonna be switching. I'm gonna be changing. My Gyarados. You know how I have regular Gyarados? I'm gonna switch it. I'm gonna switch to Big Red now. Is it a higher chance on Ultra Sun, really? Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna get my Big Red from Pokemon Silver. Sorry, man, I gotta go. Bye. No problem, Freddy Fartson. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. You've been here a while. Thank you so much. You have a good one, buddy. Have a good night. Bye. Have a great time. Take care. Well, I'm running out of sand. This is like what? Boom, boom, boom. Alright, that's it. This is it. Am I gonna... No, not. Whoa, 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 whoa. Aha. Good shot, buddy. Good shot. I like how they easily lose interest in you, though. And they're very strong. We tried kicking them with a knife and stuff. Oh, let me see. No, 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 no. I shouldn't probably mess with them. No, 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 no. I'd love to, but... There he is. They easily lose interest in you, though. Oh, no. Where'd he go? I don't know. You love Carp. Yeah, he lost. Alright, let's keep going. They have thorns. I noticed that they have thorns as well, yeah. I've noticed. Because I've been hitting them and I get damage back. God dang it. So even if you shoot them with a bow and arrow, you get the damage from far away. You probably do, eh? That's cheap. after I'm done here, I'm gonna grab all the dirt from over there, head back to the island, and see what Nikki's up to. I want to spy on her. Ouch. No, get out of here. Wow, just as I thought, I'm not gonna make it to this site. My goodness. Look, this is a whole stack. Well, let's use this one. Whole stack, pretty much. Alright. So a stack gives me 2. Welcome back, Sakura! So a stack gives me 2 rows. Let me see. 2 columns. We're calling them columns. You still packing? Packing what? Who's packing? Let's see. Alright, so it gave me 2. That's good. But I'm not gonna make it this way. Somebody shooting at me? No. Sakura's number 1 when it comes to pants, huh? Sakura is number 1. I only lost 1,000. You have like thousands of thousands. Thousands of hundreds of thousands. No, tens of thousands. That was an ad. Did you hear that? That was just an ad. You see? That was just an ad. I don't mind that ad. It just stops you hear the... Because it's just the word that comes up on screen. One of those 5-second ads. I don't mind those. Oh, come on. Come on. So close. Yet so far. Well, we didn't make it. We didn't have... What? We accomplished a little bit more. Every day a bit closer, I suppose. What? What are you kidding, Sakura? Oh my goodness. It's just like what rich people do. The more they have, the more they want. And the more they get. You rich people. You rich people. You rich people are spoiled. If I do say so myself. Whoa. I don't have torches on me, do I? No. Never mind. Unless there's something in the chest. Let's see. Are there any torches in your chest? No. Maybe there's a furnace here? Oh, but I can make torches. All I need actually is just... I'm gonna make 4 torches. It's supposed to give me 4, right? It's gonna give me 4? Yep, right. I don't know, just for fun, I'm gonna place one on each corner. How deep? 64 blocks? No, I think a stack of 64... A stack of 64 gives me like two columns of sand. It's gonna take forever, but I don't mind. Minecraft's all about patience. Look how long the walk is, and look how much sand we've covered already. That's good. That's good. Goodness, this is quite the project. Is that to keep those mines out? The fish. If you're talking about the fish. Oh man. You never get a name right for these for these creatures. It's not to keep them out. What we're gonna do, we're gonna suffocate the whole place with sand, all of it. We're gonna keep we're gonna suffocate the whole and then mine it up, and it's gonna be completely dry, and we can explore the temple easily once we get there. And then we can mine it and all that. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna take all the dirt that I can. I think I can take all of it. Bam, 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 bam. Ooh, almost. Is there more here? Okay. Oh, I cannot take this because I need to put one empty stack for the boat. I need to bring it back for Geshi. Can I pick it up? Yes. Let's go. Let's go back to Geshi base. To the Geshi mobile. Oh, fish eyes are mine. No. They're fish. They swim around. They have tails and they have faces and eyes. Well, I think it's just one eye actually. They have just one eye. Wait, this is new. This is new. I've never seen this structure. I think I just went past it. Or maybe just built it just now. I don't think so though. It's interesting. Just noticed it now. Honey, I'm home. Alright, so I'm gonna place his other boat as well. It's probably his as well. There we go. Two boats. Two boats. Gotta make more contraptions. I think so. What he did for sure. The anvil is very oddly placed, but it's his house. Whatever he wants. Alright, so what he did is this. I don't have a pickaxe to demonstrate though. I don't have a pickaxe. I want to demonstrate something. Let's see. Does he have a pickaxe here? No. Does he have a pickaxe here? No. God dang it. I cannot demonstrate. Well, this is an automated cobblestone generator. Makes cobblestone. This is this tree farm. I think he just mined the wood apparently. And everything falls down here and it goes down there in the chests. He's breeding llamas. I like the creeper one. Look at the creeper llama. He has a llama. I want a llama too. Then he cured a villager. That is a grinder for mob spawners. They automatically. Well, he made a room. He made the room up there. Let me just show you real quick. He made a room up there, and monsters spawn in there, up there. They fall into the water acts as a conveyor belt, so pushes them around, blah blah blah, and they suffer a long drop down there, and their loot is collected into hoppers. Always collect from the chest, right? So as you can see, they will fall a long drop, they die, their loot falls into the hoppers put it in the chest. Let's see if I can actually prove. I mean, every now and then a mob falls. Oh, look at that. I'm breaking. Oh yeah, anyway, they fall. Whoop, there you go. This one didn't die. Now he did. So yeah, that's how it works. Silly enough, he didn't do it 3 blocks high, so at least we get Enderman as well. 2 blocks high only. So yeah. Okay. Oh, I know what Geshi's doing. He's not home right now because he's working on the spawner probably. I would love to give him a peek, but let's let him work peacefully. What's going on here? Let's go check on Nikki real quick. Let's see what she's doing. Where is she? What is she doing? I don't see her. Nikki! Are you still playing? Are you playing, girl? This could be us, but you playing. I don't know where she is. Oh, she's down there. I see her. Ah, she's fixing. She's fixing and fixing and fixing. I like that. Yeah, she's making it very, very nice over here. Look. I don't like the long drop, so we're probably gonna... We are probably gonna make some fences or something. I think she could use some of this. Hold on. I'm not gonna give her all of it because I need... Nikki, this way. Look behind. I'm gonna have to punch you so you notice me. Come over here, I got stuff for you. I'm gonna give you some of this. Come have 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 some of this. Ah, sand, thank you. Oh, we're trading now. If I run out of room, I'm gonna have to make more space by giving her more. No, that's it. I'll be back. I'll be back with more probably. But first I'm gonna close off the island that I'm working on. Oh, we need to fix this as well. This is a mess. I don't know. Hopefully it's better like this. I still hear the water flowing, so it's not gone. I may have fixed it now. We'll see. Alright, let's go. Game audio's out of sync. Yes, I know. It's because I'm streaming from the old OBS. I know that. But thanks for pointing that out. I know. Thank goodness it's not important, the audio, really. You know, there's my commentary, there's some music in the background, so... I have noticed that already in the past, yeah. 1, 2, hup! See Daisy. Okay. I must have missed that. So I'm gonna change my island into grassy now. I have plans for this island, but I'm not so sure exactly what and when. Whoop. Did you guys know that mobs don't spawn on Mushrooms Islands, Mushroom Lands, Mushroom Kingdoms? You know, where the mushrooms spawn? I missed this part. Alright, 3 more. This goes there, this goes here. Me and Nikki are both working on fixing the island, basically. And Geshi is working on his spawner. Oh, are you sick? I didn't know that. Sorry to hear. I hope you feel better soon, buddy. Get plenty of rest. You know, I believe that rest is like the ultimate medicine. Before taking any pills or whatever, I like to try sleeping it off first. Like if I have a headache, if I have a migraine, I try to sleep it off before I take any painkillers. That is my thing. Whatever, even if it's cough, even if it's a fever, I'll try. First I'll try to sleep it off. too many pills and medicine is not good for the kidneys. Kidneys go through a lot of work. You and me both. Kidneys go through a lot of hard work. Let's just call it hard work. To filter stuff. Filter everything, really. Oh, you got a cold and lost my ear. Oh, crap. That's not good. You lost your voice. Where did you leave it? Where did you see it last? Get it? Where did you leave it? Did you check lost and found? No, but seriously. As I was saying about the kidneys go through a hard time. They have a lot of work to filter pretty much everything we eat. Not pretty much, everything we eat. But they struggle with, not struggle, but it's extra work when it comes to red meat. In the jungles. When it comes to red meat, they struggle again, like a lot of effort from the kidneys end. Alcohol, definitely. And medicine. Yeah, I like the honey option as well. But ever since I went kind of off sugars in my diets, I've become a bit of a freak. So I try to stay away from honey. You know, I gave her that dirt, thinking I'm gonna give her more, but wow. Starting to think I might not have enough, actually. There's a little bit more by the Guardians, but... I am sick too. Sick in the head. I kid. I make a joke. I make a funny joke. My goodness, look at all this. So much more. It's gonna be all pretty now in green once it turns green. Once the grass spreads. But yes, the grass to spread needs other grass beside it, basically. If you're just gonna place brown dirt like this, hoping it's gonna turn green, eventually it won't. It needs to have green next to it. Once it has green next to it, it will start spreading. TRU's gonna be on later, but he's not gonna be streaming. He's gonna be working on his Truman show. Truman show. I wonder where he got his name from, TRU. I feel like I've asked him before, he probably said and wasn't listening. Oh man, I have a tendency of doing that. I hate myself for that. I ask a question and then I immediately lose interest. And I drift away if they're saying something. Like, I don't know, what is your favorite color? And as that person is telling me their favorite color, I'm thinking, my favorite color. I wonder what this person's favorite color is. Oh no, they just told me. And I wasn't listening. Oh, I am like that. I am like that. Funnily enough, I was watching an episode of Scrubs when JD had a similar thing. He meets a beautiful girl and he tells her he's a doctor and she's like, oh, I've actually been looking for a doctor. You see, and then she starts saying stuff and he goes, look at her beautiful eyes. I can see myself in those eyes. Wow, I look hot. What is she saying? Oh, just nod, say yes. Yeah, and he goes, okay, yeah, fine, sure, no problem. I'll see you tomorrow if you were looking for a doctor. And then she brings her boyfriend. He's like, you have a boyfriend? You never mentioned it. She's like, yes, I told you that. And then he goes again, look at her beautiful eyes. Wait, I'm doing it again. I am like that. It's true. I really wanted to give some extra dirt to Nikki, but which episode of Friends? I know all of them. I know all of them. Test my knowledge when it comes to Friends. I'm one of those people that needs something on the TV to fall asleep. Something needs to be on TV for me to fall asleep. I mean, not exactly TV. Laptop by my side, on the bedside. Laptop is open and I put an episode of something. And yes, that episode is usually Friends. I put an episode and I just listen to it, my eyes closed until I fall asleep. That's what I do. So, literally, I get fed Friends while I'm sleeping. Is there Friends on Netflix? I don't even know it. Are there Friends on Netflix? I think there is Friends on Netflix, eh? I watch everything on Sockshare. I used to pay for Netflix until they started removing certain shows that I like Scrubs, no Star Wars. Like, what the heck? No Walking Dead. Like, the shows that I was watching back then, I'm like, they're all gone. Wow, no dirt, huh? I left like a little outline of sand. I'm not sure if I like it, to be honest with you. I don't know. But now I'm gonna have to grab a pickaxe and remove the excess stuff. I love this song. It's really good. By the way, can you hear the music? Like, is it too loud? You know, the usual questions. Did you guys know there's a skeleton horse in this game? You can get the skeleton horse. Oh man, I would love a skeleton horse. Sure, I had some hiding it somewhere. No, I don't. By the way, just in case you still need Silk Touch, I got one. Ooh, nice. I think I have Silk Touch. I think I have Silk Touch upstairs. Yeah, I do have Silk Touch. Oh man, I hate yelling. I think an ad is about to play. Because the song stopped abruptly. No, okay. That's weird. Okay, so... Did I just use my wood? Oh, I still have more. Okay, no problemo. See, I like to draw my crafting items. That is how I roll, baby. Look how good it looks. I mean, good it looks. I mean, it's gonna look better. I promise. Should I leave this patch of sand over here? I'm gonna leave it. Ah, doesn't it look so much better now? Look at this. All fixed. I don't just like to build, I like to lay down the... I forgot which one, but I remember that did happen in Friends. There's an episode when Ross, is it Ross? Yes, Ross is telling a story. Yes, Ross is telling a story about dinosaurs and his work, blah, 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 blah. And Rachel in her head, she's looking at him and in her head, ah, look at him. He's so sexy, telling one of his dinosaur stories. Oh, man. And then the camera pans over to Monica and she goes, here we go again, another dinosaur story. When are those gonna go extinct? And then someone else says, if I squint really hard, he looks like, I don't know, someone else. Everybody's saying stuff in their head. They're thinking of stuff in their head. And then, yes, and then Joey goes in his head. And then the camera pans over to Phoebe. And Phoebe goes, who's singing? I like that. It's like, who's singing? I love Friends. I think that's it. I think this is it. This is the last part that I have to mind. I think I can give her some. I am gonna give her some. I think I have some dirt left. What I'm gonna work next is on the getting my sword back. Basically, I had an amazing sword. It had mending on it, and I lost it in the lava on Saturday. Whilst it had looting, I think it had looting too. I need to get that looting back. Wow, I'm not gonna give her anything. It's amazing. All that dirt, and I'm not gonna give her anything. I used it up. Wow. It's a big patch of land actually here. But it's done now. Maybe it was when the duck swallowed the ring and they were... I love the duck one. They think it was... Whoa, did you see that? Look at that, it's glitching. Kinda looked like it was. How weird was that? Look at that. Did you guys see that? Kind of glitching. Doesn't look like it's glitching that much on screen. Yeah, they thought it was the stripper. Okay, so we're done here. There's only one thing I need to fix and then I don't care about anything anymore. These 3 blocks have been bothering me for a very long time. There we go. Ah, and I don't mind about these actually. There's no way around this. There's a couple of more actually. I'm gonna give her a nice treat actually. There we go. She should be grateful. Where is she? Woman? Girl? Lady? I got some stuff for you. Which will make your job easier. Which will facilitate your work. Nikki left again. What? Are you kidding me? But I was gonna give you stuff. Where'd he go? Hello? Hello? Is she gonna come back? She left. Where'd you go? She's not coming back apparently. Because usually she just leaves and comes back right away. I guess I'm gonna have to do it then. Well. Well. I hope this is what she had in mind anyway. We hope. What about that hollowed huge area in front of this? In front side of the mainland. Which way? Which one? Which one? Hold on, let me fix this. I think she trolled me. I think she was watching the stream. She knew I was coming at her and she just left on purpose. I don't know. That is my impression. What holds your old area in front of the mainland? You mean over here? Nikki's working on this as well, on fixing it. In fact, there's signs so that nobody touches. But she's fixing this. She is fixing this. It's starting to look good already. This was a mess. I don't know who did this, but this is a mess. So, it's being fixed. She's working on it for sure. Look at the nether wreck. Ah. Yeah, she's fixing. She's working on that. She's working on that. It's going to be fixed. Cheers, did you see the pictures of the texture pack? Not the texture pack, the lighting engine. Alright, so she actually took off. She's not coming back. So I'm going to grind some levels. I want my sword back with the looting. So it's gonna be a waste of time now, really. Just gonna waste time while I get a bunch of... Ah, this is TRU's area. I think he's working on something. Let's take a look. He doesn't have a disc inside. Go back the stairs. What stairs? Oh, I'm too far away now. I'm too far away. I'm gonna use the little machine engine thing. Not machine engine thing, actually. It's the wow, brain farts right now. The spawner. All right. I set up this machine that automatically grinds the melons. It slices them and pushes them into the box. But I forgot to put a piston there. The machine works, and I just forgot to put a... Ah, stupid buddy. So yeah, this is my lab. This is where I did the rock stairs. Had an empty block under it. I think I saw it. I think I noticed it. So this is where I found the mob spawner, and I created a contraption where the mobs automatically fall into water, and then the water acts as a conveyor belt, pushes them around a series of tunnels that I dug, and then they all go through a long drop. They fall and take a lot of damage, the mobs, and they just hang on just half a heart. And when they land, they end up here. This is it. So yeah, this is what's gonna happen. The spawner is somewhere over there. Actually, it's somewhere over there. They spawn, they fall into the water carries them over here with the current, carries them over here, then they will swim up, because I put a waterfall over here. They will swim up all the way up, then water will push them over here. You can hear them, actually. You can hear the water and you can hear them. Pushes them up, then they suffer a long drop, and they will land here. They will land here on half a heart. And it would, if I hang around here for a little while, there's gonna be tons of zombies, because they're gonna keep generating. That's what the point. That's the whole point of a spawner. So if I give it some time, what happens to the water? Boom, there you go. You see? So that's the first one. They're gonna keep falling. They're gonna keep falling in big numbers now. I just need to be patient. I actually said here, wait here for 5 minutes. But it's less than 5 minutes, really. It's less than 5 minutes. Because it's gonna get really crowded here with zombies. There's like, what, 2 now? It's gonna get really crowded here. So probably less than 5 minutes. I'm gonna go AFK for a little bit and stretch my back while this thing happens. Alright, so I'm back. I just realized it's 9 past. It's actually 9:33 over here, so I need to wrap this up because if I don't go buy groceries by 10, I'm gonna go hungry tonight. Alright, so zombies piled up a lot here. They would pile so many at one point, they would start suffocating and die, just like they're doing. So that indicates the time. It's time to start slaughtering. So I'm at level 5 right now. Let's see how many levels I'm gonna get. You see how fast I leveled up? I went almost to level 11 from 5. 5 levels in just what? A couple of minutes? So this is what it is. It grinds XP fast. You know, that's the whole point of all this. And it works. It works. It helps me. So that's what I'm gonna do off stream once I'm done. Once I'm done eating. So I'm gonna go buy some food and that's it. I'm gonna call this stream. Thanks to everyone that hung out with me in chat. Thank you, TRU, for playing with me. Thank you, Nikki, for hanging out with us for a while. And guess she's still there. I'm gonna go. Thanks to everyone. I shall see you tomorrow, probably with Pokemon. Take care. Ciao.